I'm going to solve these questions. These many questions I'm going to solve from your data. So I'm going to find out the year, I'm going to find out the month, I'm going to find out the name, and I'm going to find out all these answers using the Excel, using the visualization. I can create visualization in Excel also. See here, I can create charts. Insert, if I go insert, and I have many charts here, and how to create this very quickly, I'll be helping you out today on that. Okay. So now you'll be getting the same data set with you also. Before that, I want you to show one thing. Let me just open. I'll just explain you my data model, what my data is. So someone asked about what is meant by relational database. Did you get your answer? Relational, where tables are connected to each other with a relationship, with the keys. Makes sense? If not, I will tell you one more time. Yep, have a look here. So in Excel table, in Excel, have a look here. I have sales information. Yes, I am having a company which is selling products, and I want to analyze something of that company. Okay. So now sales, product, and customer. Okay. Now let's see how my structure will look like. This is my sales table. This is my sales table, and I'll just reduce the thickness of this sales table, and this is my product table. Okay, so how many tables I have here? Each sheet is called a table. Each sheet has known as a table here in Excel. Remember. Okay. Now this information about my case study that I'm going to show you today. I can't see the workspace. Sorry, didn't get you. Grace? Okay, no problem. So this is what I have, and I have my information here. In this table, this I'll call fact table. This I'll call fact table. Fact means I have all my numbers here. Numbers, unit price, I have my order quantity, I have all information in numbers. So that I call fact table. Now, then I will call this a dimension table. This is a data warehousing concept again. When you get enroll yourself to this fundamentals, then you'll be learning this in depth. Okay, so this is again a dimension table for me. The screen is freezing. Anthony says the screen is freezing. Okay. Guys, is it better now? Now, is it clearly visible or no? Now, is it visible? Can someone just help me with this if my screen is visible? No, still not showing. Let me just stop sharing and share it one more time. I can see only whiteboard. Okay. Oh, my bad. I have to share my entire screen. Okay. Hopefully it will be visible now. Okay. Guys, a quick confirmation. If the screen is visible. Yes. Okay, good. Sorry about that. I was sharing the whiteboard and then I just moved to drawing. So I just Okay. Okay, so now in this table, I have my sales, order number, and next I have order quantity, and then unit price. Okay, you want me to change the color of the text? Okay, let me just change. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Unit price, and then what I will do here, I will add another value, that is discount that I'm providing. All the information I'm giving here, but for this product dimension, and this is my customer dimension. I'm not mentioning any of the information here. I just mention the product key, and here I will mention customer key. Here I'll mention. So all this information I have in my fact table. So this this product key, and here I will have a product key. Product key, product name, and then size, color, all the information will be available in this table. Size, color, all the information will be available here. So now here in this table, customer key, customer name, and then customer occupation or age, customer job. So all these information related to each and every entity is present in the separate tables. So why don't I have this in a single table? Why don't I have this in a single table? One thing you remember, whenever I have this table in a separate table, the concept is called normalization of the data. If I have information in the same table, that will result to three ambiguities, like called as insert anomaly, update anomaly, and delete anomaly. So three types of anomalies will come into picture if I have information in the same table. So that is a concept of data modeling again. Now this key and this key is matching in these two tables, and this relationship is telling that this key, a product key in fact table and product key in dimension table is matching. And then similarly, customer key here and customer key here is matching, and then it will relate. So let me just walk you through the same thing here in my Excel file. Have a look. This is my sales information. So this is my sales information, and have a look. Store key, product key, promotion key, customer key. See, customer key I have. So I have customer key here also. Have a look. Customer key. Customer code is there, but what do we mean by customer key? Customer code, and in the sales table customer key. Yes, both are same for me in this case. I will treat them both same. Okay, now going to, sorry, this is a product. Okay, now product code, product key. Have a look. Come here. And do you have product key? Yes, I have product key. Now have a look. All these information I have. Order date key, due date key, delivery date, order date, and then due date, delivery date, quantity, unit price, unit discount, unit cost, and net price. So now, first of all, how do I start my analysis? And here I have information of the product. So first what I will do, I will arrange my data in a proper format first. I want my sales amount first needs to be calculated. How can I do arithmetic operations? We'll divide our training program into two sections, 2 to 3 sections. First section, we will see Excel can do arithmetic operations for us. First is we'll see arithmetic operation, how Excel can do arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operations. And then second, we'll see functions. What are the functions supported by Excel? We'll see this. And finally, we'll see charts. How can we create charts in Excel? And the same thing we are going to see in Power BI also. Guys, feel free to type your questions on the chat window. We'll see how we can do these 3 operations in Excel. Yeah. So now I want to add the sales amount. So what I will do, I'll just keep my cursor here and I will give the column name sales amount. Yep. Sales amount. What should be the sales amount? I'll keep my cursor here and I will put equal to. I'll put equal to, and then I'll just click on the cells I want. Okay. What I want, unit price, see, multiplied by order quantity. So this one unit price. So let me just refine it. Okay. Order quantity multiplied by unit price minus unit discount. Have a look. And if I hit enter, and I'm not getting this value here. Why, guys? Because if you see the data format of this and see, it shows general. Data format of this is general. Because of that, it's not accepting that. Okay, now what I will do, I have so many number of options here. I'll just convert it to number. Okay. But sometimes it will not get converted. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just select this and I'll make it to number, and then see nothing is going to happen. Why? The reason for this is text. This is text, and this I'm trying to calculate. Can you add 2 text values, guys? Anyone? Can you add 2 text values? Can you help me with that? Can someone tell me if can you add or multiply 2 text values? I think it will be nice. We have data so we can follow with you. So I have shared the data. Hope you have received that. Grace, can you just help the participant on this so that they can quickly follow
sorry,
along?
Arif, sorry, this is Paul speaking. I didn't get your question, so I don't know how we can come in.
No problem. So the question that I have asked is, I did a operation here. See here, I did an operation in this cell equal to order quantity multiplied by, in a bracket, with unit price minus discount. I just tried to do an operation, but I'm getting an error here. Hash value means error. Means it's not a valid value. Why it is coming like that?
Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah.
I think you have to right click to format cell.
Okay. Tell me. Where?
You click on, you format cell, go down, format cell.
Format. Perfect.
Format cell.
Format cells. Then Number.
Then you check, you
Number.
choose what you want.
Then
You adjust
adjust
your decimal places.
Decimal places. It's then decimal places is there. 3 digits I'll do.
No. Make it 0.
Okay. Make it 0. Okay. So format cells I'll do. Someone told dollar is there. Yes. Dollar is there. So we have to remove that dollar. Sometimes this is common error. Yes. Why? Because sometimes it's a human interpretation that if I have dollar there, then I'll treat it as a numbers. So, but Excel can't read that. Excel can't read that. So how can I remove this?
I mean, it was supposed to read it. It was supposed to read it because I do this most of the time. When you format cell, you check if you want
Okay, this one I'll just go to format cells. Yep, and then I've selected number.
Can't we select currency? Currency is only the category.
Sorry, didn't get you.
He said you should make the decimal places 0.
Decimal places 0. Okay, I'll just make it to 0. Click on OK, and then see.
I think it's seeing the dollar sign as a text, not a value.
Perfect.
So and there's no way you can multiply a value with a text. It's going to give you value error. Thank you.
Perfect. This is the reason. So this is a common error that we do, guys. So this is a common error we do. So I have to remove this dollar symbol. So how can I remove that dollar symbol? Suggestion from your end. So this kind of errors will come, guys, whenever you're trying to clean the data. So data cleaning aspect. So how can I clean that information here?
Hello, Arif. This is Paul speaking.
Sorry?
This is Paul speaking.
Yeah, Paul, please tell me.
All right. So what I do is I highlight the dollar sign, and then I do control find and replace it with nothing. So it will remove it. That's how I do often eliminate it.
Perfect. So that is one solution. Then any other solutions, guys? So what Paul is selling, control plus F you do, replace, find what, dollar, and replace it with space. Correct? This is what you are telling?
No, don't put any space. It will, then it will just remove it.
Replace all. And see, and we got our clean information. And see, now I do the same operation again. Equal to. Now I will type order quantity multiplied by unit price minus discount number. Okay, so let's see, will it give me the number? Yes, now it is given. And now just double click on the edge. Automatically the entire table will get assigned to the same value. Let's see guys, here we go. Basic cleaning of the data. So this kind of cleaning stuff is needed. So any other way to clean that information, guys? Please find and select. So
hello, Arif.
Yeah,
it's Paul speaking. I think we can also use the left and right command.
perfect.
But I can't right now because I'm not with the file. I can't quickly, but we can use equals.
Just guide me on that, guys. Have a look here. We have some suggestions. So many different ways of cleaning methodologies are there. So how can you do that? In the same column, you can't do that, right? You have to insert one column here first, correct? And you have to insert one column and new column you have to create. Unit price, you have to give a name. Clean. Yep. Correct? You can't do in the same column because references should be there for me. So equal to, yes, tell me please.
Equals right.
Okay, but right means that you have to give the digit right for that. Any other way? PC, if you use right, then you have to give a field name and then you have to give number of digits. But the amount if goes increasing, then will it work like this? No, it will not work. Any other way, guys?
Hello, Harry.
Yeah.
So it's the first one I gave will be fastest, but when it comes to using the right, you may have to add some other functions to be able to do that, which may be a longer method.
Correct. So easiest way, let's go with the easiest way. Not an issue with me. Okay. So this the same step. Remember this same step, guys. I will do the same transformation in Power BI also after when we complete this. Okay. Now what I will do for now, Control F, replace dollar and then replace all. So in this column it got replaced. Okay, close. Now this column also, one second, hold on. Control plus F. Control plus F. Just press Control plus F. It will open a find option. Okay, find and replace with null, replace all. So now it's done. So it will tell me how many values got replaced. Okay, close. Done. Then I'll type an equation here, equal to. Whenever you type without equal to, what happens, guys? If you don't type equal to, then it will not take these values only. See, it will not go into the formula edit mode. You have to type equal to, then only it will go to formula edit mode. See, now it will come M2 because this is, have a look. This is 2 number of column and this is 2 row and M column. This cell. So it works in cells here. Then M2, not M2, I'll just make it as L2 multiplied by unit price minus discount percentage. Now hit enter and now see, and just double click on the edge. Have a look here. What did I do, guys? And dot will come at the edge. If you want to apply to all the values in the same column, so similarly you have to apply here also. Double click and see L5, M5, N5 will come. 15, 15, 15 is coming. So it is smart enough to suggest us the same thing happening. Okay, now tell me, guys, production cost. Production cost. If I just open this, now I have to do another calculation. Equal to what? Equal to quantity multiplied by unit cost. Enter and see, automatically the function is applying. Okay, I got it. Now next, what I have to do, guys, I have to give my profit. And then this minus this equal to sales amount minus my production cost. Okay, now have a look. So I got my result. So one thing that we saw here is Excel is very good in arithmetic operations and how easily I can do that. Next, guys, I want to create a chart. Let's try to create a chart. So let's go step by step. I have my sales amount and I have my date. Okay. Now someone is asking me to create a bar chart with sales amount and their respective years. In each year, how much sales they did. Okay, now how can I do that here, guys? Have a look here. Then I don't have year field only, guys. Here I don't have year field only. See,
Please.
they did there. Yeah, someone is telling something. Please go ahead.
Hello, Mohammed.
Yeah, tell me please.
I think we can create a chart by, let's say, doing a
Sorry?
pivot table or something. Can we create a pivot table?
Pivot table.
Then from there, we'll also extract the chart and do a chart, a bar chart or pie chart, any of it.
Okay. First you need to do pivot table, and then from that you will do a bar chart.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's try
Yes.
to do that. So how to create a pivot table? Pivot table in the sense, what is a pivot table, guys? So
Insert.
summarizing the table. Yeah.
You go to the insert column.
Yes. So how to create a pivot table? Insert.
Yeah.
And
Then you say
yeah,
pivot
please.
table. Pivot table.
Pivot
So
table.
the
Pivot
far left.
Perfect. Pivot table. And then it is asking you to select the range. Okay. Range, see, automatically it has sensed from A1 till 12,056. So till yes column. So it has generated. Now, in which sheet you want? New or existing?
Existing.
New. I'll take new. Yes. And see, automatically that has come up here.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this information is there. And now let's try to create our pivot table. So what I want to show here, guys, I want to show date. Okay. Order date. I will take order date. Where is my order date? Order date. I will add it on columns. See, automatically it is showing me years 7, 8, 9 years. It is showing. See here, something beautiful thing happened here. Years, quarters, and order date. It's showing me like this. Now I want to see sales amount across that. Sales amount. Okay, sales amount. I'll put it on what? Values. See, sum of sales amount. I have values. Now, what should I have on the rows? Any idea? I want to see month wise. Each month, it should be like Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Till here, I want. So, what is the solution, guys, you have for that?
You're not scrolling.
I'm not scrolling. I want like this.
Full option.
Jan, Feb, March, I want here, and the value should get populated here. How can you do that?
Arif, I think we need to go back to the data set.
Yes.
And we check if the dating format is appropriate for us to do that.
Yes. See here, this is order date, and it's a date format only.
So if the dating format,
month I don't have.
all right. So if the dating format is not,
yes. Now,
can you see that the dating format doesn't show? It's not in the proper way, so we may have to do that.
Yes. So now I saw some more scope of data cleaning here. So what I want month. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just insert a column after this. You can keep it at the end also. Yep. Please tell me. Okay, now order month I will take. I'll create a column. So now we are going to second part. Now we are going to second part, that Excel has many functions also. Functions equal to, see, month I will type. As soon as I type month, a function will appear here, month of this order date, and just hit enter and see, I'm getting this like this. How can I change it to month, guys? This is date, and I'll change it to general, and see, automatically the month name is coming out. Month, see, July, September, July, October. Yep. Similarly, should have year also. Okay, what will I do? I'll insert a new column again. Insert order year equal to Year function also is there. Year of what? Year of this field. And hit enter and see 2007. See, I'm getting year. Okay. Now, see the data cleaning, guys. This I'm trying to data cleaning and data preparing in order to create effective charts. Effective chart I want to create here. So now, after I create a chart, and I'll have that month also present here. So I have to refresh. Okay. I'll just click on data and I'll just hit on refresh all. And now see order month will come. This order month I'll put here. And now see so beautifully my pivot is available. So this way you have to clean. So now someone will ask me, or if you are taking month numbers, how can I have month names? So further data cleaning is needed. So what I will do? So order month is there. So I want what, guys? Name. Okay. So further data preparation is needed. So this is how you enhance every time your data. Insert. Okay. Order month name. Order month name, and then so what function do I have equal to month name function? I don't have month name function, guys.
Hello, Mohammed. You can use the text function to extract the month from the other dates. The text function.
Text function. Perfect.
Yes.
So this is what I want you guys to contribute, guys. Text function. Text of what? Text of
the other dates.
Comma in double inverted commas. I have to type what?
Depending on the format you want. If it
format
is
I want. Perfect. So I'll type Let's see what will happen if I do 05 I'm getting.
So add another to it to make it maybe January, February, or this likes. Add another to that Hello, Mohammed, are you with me?
Yes. No, I'm not on mute. Please tell me.
Go back to the formula. Add additional to it. Again.
Perfect. Now let's see. Yeah. May. So. Yep. And just apply and see May, July, May. Then I'll see October. But this is not full month name, guys. If I want full month name, then
add another to it.
Another Perfect. I have another So now if I hit enter and then see, let's see. And full month name is coming now. See. So what happened here, guys? So Microsoft has two standards. Anyone in your day-to-day activities, guys, are you using 4-digit month name, 5-digit month name? No one uses, right? Is that common understanding that either a human being use 3-digit month name or a full month name? So what this standardization here is, if 4 times is given, then automatically it will be treated as a full month name. So now what I have to do, I have to go to the refresh data and I have to come to my same sheet, and now see order month name is there. So I will remove this month name from here. I will add order month name here. See, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Now this is a pivot table, guys. See how I'm refining my information. It's not a one-step process. Remember, guys, it's not only a one-step process. It's always a continuous process. Data cleaning, data preparation, data visualizing. It's a continuous process. So now if I ask you, I'll give this sheet to you and I'll ask you, guys, tell me in 2007, what was the entire year sales amount? Oh, so what you will do without a pivot table. So just have a look. You'll add a filter here. So you will just go to this data and then you'll add a filter on top row, and then you will go to the year and you will select only 2007, and then you'll come at the end and you'll keep your cursor here and you'll see this number. Arif, this is your sales amount for 2007. Now if I ask you, give me again January of 2007. So you'll come to order month name, you'll drop down here and you'll refine this and select January here, and you'll tell what is the number, and you'll just select this, the entire value, and you will see the statistics of this average, count, and number. So 101097 is the January month sales amount. So you do this now. See, remember this number 101097. 101096.7, that is 101097. So pivot table. So if someone had questions, guys, so why do we need a pivot table? So this is the importance of pivot table. So coming back to data preparation again. So now I want to see my pivot table not on the month, guys. I want at the quarter level. Quarter. What is meant by quarter, guys? Anyone can help me? What is meant by a quarter? Can someone help me with what is meant by a quarter? Quarter. This quarter means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months. Okay. So now what I will do, I will divide this equally into three months. So this I will call it as Q1. This will I call it as Q2. This I'll call it as Q3, and this I'll call it Q4. Quarters. So how can I prepare my data in this standard format? Okay. How can I have that? Okay. Let's see if I have a for function for that also. Functions. Yes. Order. Yes. I'll just come here and I'll just insert another column. Okay. I'll just order date quarter. Yes, I'll insert this and then I'll just type a function equal to quarter. Okay, guys, unfortunately I don't have quarter function. So now everything is not ready made, guys. So something you have to think. Something we have to think. So I have to think to find out an alternative solution for this. Quarter function is not there. So I will design a mathematical formula, but it will give me the answer. I'm audible to everyone? Okay. So I have to design a mathematical formula to get my this one quarter. Okay. So now I'll just get a new yeah, I'll just get a new one and have a look here, guys. I want a formula which will give me like this. Okay, escape and text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now if I want to have quarter, okay, this should be 1. This should be 1. This should be 1. And this should be 1. And this should be 2. And this should be 2. And this should be 2. Similarly, this should be 2. And sorry, not this 2. This is 3. This is 3. And this is 3. And this is 3. And this is 4. This is 4. And finally, this is 4. So guys, you have Excel file on the chat window also. You can download it from here only direct. Now, tell me, how can I design my formula? So let's think about the divide function. Divide function, month number divided by this. Okay. If I think 1 divided by 1 equal to 1, I will get. Next, 2 divided by, okay, not this, not 1. 4 quarters I want. 1 divided by 4. I'll get 0.25. 2 divided by 4, I'll get equal to 0.5. So 3 months it will show me. 4 months 0.5. Why I'm doing that 4, I'll tell you the reason. 4 is actually the wrong answer. Okay, 3 divided by 4 equal to 0.75, and then 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 I'm getting. So it shouldn't go till 1 by 4. So what will I do? I'll just change this number 3. 3 months in 1 quarter, 3, and 3 divided by 3, 4 divided by 3, like this. If I do, this will be 0.33, 0.33, 0.66. This will be 0.999, and this will be 3 divided by 3. Sorry, this will be 1. This will be 1. 4 divided by 3 is 1.33. 1.33. 5 divided by 3 equal to 1.66, like this. If I do, and then this number, I will turn to the next higher number. Next higher number is what, guys? 1. Similarly, this next higher number is 1. This higher number is 1. One higher number is 1. 1.3 next higher number is 2. 1.6 next higher number is 2. So in this way, I can get my quarter information. So how to formulate that here? So let's try to see that. Okay, now what I will do, I will use divide month number. Okay, I'll just go to first row. I want to go to first row. So how can I do this? I have to clear the filters. First, I'll just come here and I'll clear the filters. Clear from filters from here and clear filters from here also. I'll do clear first. Okay, I came back to first. Now equal to month number divided by 3, and see 1.66, and see I'm getting these numbers. So how to round this function? Round function, guys, everyone know round function? Round function. So let's try to use round function and see round. See, round is there, and I will just use this. So no, I just keep here, and then I'll do keep it here, and I'll just do round of this value. Sorry. Okay, I have to add another argument for this. Okay, so number of digits. I don't want any digits. I don't want any digits. I'll just give 0 and see 2. Now have a look. 2 is coming, 2 is coming, 2 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is coming, and let's see. Do you have something? Okay, this quarter 2. Then why it's coming like this, guys? 7th should be quarter 3, right? 7 should be quarter 3, and 6 should be quarter 2, 5 should be quarter 2, 7 should be quarter 3, but I'm not getting this. What is happening? So let's have a look in my function. So keep here, and you have another function, round up. You have round up also, or you have seal also. Sealing. Just hit enter. Significance is 0. Round. Ceiling of this function should be 1 digit. 1 digit. And now let's see. See, automatically this got changed to 3. Earlier, what was happening here, guys? If I use round, what was happening? 1.7 and 2.3 it was getting. So now I don't want 0 digit, I want to round. 0 digit, I want to round. And then see, it was showing. Okay. So now why 2 and other time it's 3? What's happening here, you know? If I tell a round of 1.1 comma 1 digit, 0 digits, round of 1.1 comma 1 digit, then what will be the result, guys? This will give 0 digits, means round, means it will give 1. 1 digit after decimal point I'm rounding, that means it will give me 1.1. Number of decimal points, there is a significance, I tell, but I don't want it in this way. I want it to be next number. Round of 1.1 should be treated as 2. So what I will do, I will tell round up or seal to go to the next number. If it pass 1, then go to the next number I'm telling. So 1.1 comma 0, if you tell, it will go to next number. Let's see. Or you can use seal also. Seal means sealing. You have another function. What is meant by floor? See, seal equal to 1.3 comma 1 significance, then it will be 2. Same number 1.3 comma 1 if you give, then it will be 1. So what do you mean by this seal and floor, guys? Anyone can unmute and speak. What are the difference between these functions? What are they doing? So these are all the functions are available in Excel, which will help our data cleaning or data preparation. Seal means it will take your existing number, this number, to the next higher number, that is 2. Floor means come down. Floor is always below. This number to next number down, that is 1. So the same concept I'm using here also. See, I'm just using seal or round up. I'll just use seal. Sealing of this to 1 digit. And let's see. Yeah. But I don't want this as a plain number, guys. I want it to be Q1, Q2, Q3 I want. So what will I do? I will concatenate a constant string in front of this. Q hyphen, and then I will add an ampersand symbol. So what will happen, guys, after this? See, Q2, and see, so beautifully the data is got processed, and see, so now if you want to see quarter wise information, then just come to your sheet 1, that is a pivot that we got created, refresh all, and quarter also will come. Order date quarter is there, and just remove this information from here. Order date quarter, you bring it and see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, someone has typed something. Yep. Thank you so much, Paul. So not like every function is available in Excel. Not like every function is available in Excel. We have some work on also that you have to do. So what is meant by this round function, seal function? So now you can ask me one thing, Arif, you are from so many years, you are working on Excel, so you know the functions. How will a newcomer like me will know these functions? How will? Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that one more time, not an issue there. So I'll just leave you with the list of functions. Have a look. Click on f of x. Okay, I'll just come to my sheet and I will just come to my first and just keep your cursor somewhere and click on f of x here and see the list of functions will come up. But what is this? I'm not getting anything here. Only few are there. Yeah, here we go. So what functions I was using so far? Numeric functions. Okay. Now where is my numeric functions? Okay. Where is my functions? Oh, these are all functions. See, list of functions are available from huge list of functions are available where you can use. Okay, financial functions. See, date and time functions, year, month, text, all that is available here. See, then statistical functions, average, sum. Yes, statistical functions. So text functions. Yes, someone told left right function that is available here. So I'll be using that also, guys. That functions also I'll be using. So I'm telling data cleaning here. After you spend your time on data cleaning, I'll tell you within 5 minutes you can create multiple charts. Within 5 minutes you'll create a multiple chart. So let's see what else I can do to clean my data. So my data is available for me. This everything is done. Now someone will ask me, or if I don't have weekday here, someone tell, oh, I want to see my analysis based on the weekday also. Sunday how much sales happened, Monday how much sales happened. I want to see that. Do you have any function for that? Someone will ask me. So I'll tell, yes, you have a function. So let's see that if I have function or what. Insert a new column and then order day, then equal to weekday. Yes, weekday function is there, but let's see what will be the result of that. What will be the result of that? Okay, order date I'll put, and return type it is asking me. Guys, have a look. 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, yeah, like this. What are this? If I mention 1, if I mention 2, if I mention 3, what is happening here? Now guys, many of us are from different localities here. I will tell you one thing here. In India, weekend are treated as Saturday and Sunday or just Sunday. But in the countries like Gulf, where we have weekend on Friday and Saturday. So how can we consider that a weekend or a weekday? So on which day your week should start? Sunday should start. You want to start Monday? Yes, you can select that. Okay, if you select 1, then automatically your weekday is starting from Sunday. This 4, see, this is 4. And now if you mention 2, this 4 will get changed to 5. Okay, not this 5, this is 2. This is 3. Okay, see, Monday, it started from Monday. Sorry, instead of going backward, I went forward. It went to 3. So if you start your weekday from Monday to Sunday, then the number formatting will change. See, the same it is telling here. Now see, numbers 1 Sunday, Saturday 7. If you mention 2, numbers 1 Monday, 7 Sunday. If 0, if 3, Monday 0, Sunday 6. So beautifully they are giving me. Okay, now what I'll mention 1 only. I'll mention 1. Okay, now you will ask me one question. Or if this is numbers, I want days here. I want days also. How can you give me the days? Okay, now I'll tell. No problem. It's possible for me. Okay, insert. What I will do here, weekday name. Weekday name. So someone told us the magical function. Who is that? Who told us the magical function? Text. Again, text function. Text function I use, and then I will use my order date field. Everything is revolving around order date. Date functions these are. Okay. Text. Then what is the format? Double inverted commas and then W. Okay. Escape. And then here I'll put W. I'll just 3 Ws. Okay. Let's see what will happen. But it's not recognizing, guys. Why? Is there any other representation? Like
I
this?
think it's D.
Perfect. Yes. So someone of us know that. DDD. Yes. Perfect. Wednesday. And see, Wednesday, Sunday, Thursday, it's coming 3 digits again. So now, see, I will add one body. That means it's a full weekday name. So now we are still not satisfied. Someone will tell, Arif, I have date format in this way, or I don't want date format in this way. I want date format in some other format I want. Yes. So we have 10 more minutes for break. For 4 p.m. guys.
Yes,
Okay.
Arif, you're right.
Okay, no problem. I'll just try to do the data cleaning here for in that 10 minutes. After immediately we'll come back after the break, we'll create charts. After that, we'll go to Power BI. So now some of us will still tell me, Arif, I don't want the dates in this format only. I want DD, month name and year. After that, I want a day name also. Guys, correct, right? Some of us are reporting requirement is such. We can't tell that you are asking a silly question. No question is silly here. Everyone has their own requirement and I have to prepare my data. So now you might be thinking, I'm justifying my words, what I told yesterday. 75% of the time I do it in data preparation or data cleaning. And see, I'm not going to this only. I'm doing everything in my this sheet and just going and doing a refresh here. That's it. That is the power of data cleaning. So now I'll insert a date format, a different date format I want. What I will do, I'll just insert new column, insert order date, custom date format. Okay, now. Custom date format. So let's see. Go to home. Someone not speaking, can you go on mute? Okay. Now have a look. I'll just get these dates and I have everything here. Number formats, I have different number formats. I can set it like that. See. Now what I will do, I'll just keep this side here. I'll just keep this original date as it is. I can change directly here also, but I'll not change. So I'll just copy this and I will paste it here also. See, I paste it here. So now it's a date only. So what I will do, I'll just select this and I'll go to format, format cells, and I want the date format as you want. Okay, where is my date? Date. And see, different date formats are available for me without doing anything. So if I select this, click on OK and see, got changed automatically. No, you'll tell no, I don't want this way. I want some other. Okay, where is that other ways? See, I have full month name, and if you want some different format, custom, go to custom and see, you have n custom ways to represent DDMMYY hours. Click on OK and see, you'll get hours also. Now someone will tell, Arif, I don't want this also. I want weekday name also. Format. Go to my custom. Okay. Now remove this. Remove this. And what will add here? Hit apply. Let's see what will happen. And see, automatically I got the format. Any format you want, you can customize. Click on format. Click on format cell. No, I don't want I want a comma in between here. Okay. I'll click on comma and click on OK. A comma will come here automatically. Recently, I got a requirement, guys. I was giving a training for a Gulf country. So they wanted this date to be converted to a lunar calendar or Hijri calendar. They wanted to change. So in many part of the world we have, right? This date I want to convert into a different calendar. So have a look here. Format cells and go to dates. And then see a country also you can select. I can select which country you want. Okay. Okay. United States, I don't want. I want some different country. So any country that I will select here, it will show up the dates in that country format. English, United States is there, English, South Africa, English, UK, Hijri. I'll type Hijri calendar. It should be Hijri. I'll just calendar type, calendar in English, and I'll just tell. Let's see if I can get Hindi. See, I'll get Hindi ways of representation also. Let's see how it will convert and see Hindi. So guys, someone can tell me, suggest me something 2007, 2008, 2009. See, very much flexible. And let me just search Hijri calendar. Okay, someone is something. China. Yes, let's do China. Okay, let's see if I have English. Okay, let me just first select the local. Okay. Chinese. And here we go. Saudi Arabia. Where is Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia. I'm just trying to find out Saudi Arabia. I'm not fine. Let's show Chinese first. Chinese. Do you have Chinese here? So very easy. Arabic, English, Saudi Arabia. It will not come Saudi Arabia. Even I forgot. See, Arabic, UAE, and it will be in this way. See, Gregorian calendar. No, I want Arabic Western. Okay, now have a look. I can have it in this way. And now see, it will convert my days. So beautiful, guys. Data preparation. We call it as data preparation. Now, last topic I will take before taking a break. Now, within this date, guys, within this date, I want to find out whether it's a weekend or a weekday. So first, what we have seen? First, we have seen arithmetic operations. Next, we have seen functions, what a big scope of function is available. And then without using functions, how can I customize my data? That I have seen. Now, I will use something like called conditional statement. Weekday or a weekend, I want to find out, guys. So how will I do that? Okay, now what I will do? Insert. If Saturday or Sunday, then it should populate as weekend, or else it should populate as a weekday. Correct? So let's try to do that. I'll type if equal to if statement. I will type if, see, if analysis. If order day, it will not take like this. It will take like this. Order day. I'll not type it here because it plays in cells. Okay, I'll just give week end or weekday. Okay, weekend or a weekday, and then I'll start typing if equal to, without that equal to, it will not go into that mode. See, logical test, true value, false value. Okay, if this equal to 6 or I'll just type common equal to 6, then it should be weekend. Sorry about that. Weekend, comma, else what? Else if, again, one more if statement I'll take. If the same is 7, same equal to 7, then also it's weekend. Else what? Else it should be weekday. And I'll just close this expression and see. Now one more expression will close. If statement is started here, and one more if it is getting closed here. Okay, now let me just see what is happening here. If this 6, then show it as a weekend. Else if it is not 6, then check again. If it is 7, then also it is a weekend, or else give it as weekday. Okay, now let's just remove this and hit up enter and see weekday. Now weekday, Sunday, why is weekday is showing? Weekday only is showing for everyone, right? The reason. So if statement I'm trying to type.
Hello, Arif. Hello.
Yeah, tell me please.
Hello, Arif. Sorry, a quick one. I think from the formula, M2, if M2 should be less than 6.
Less than 6?
That's to be, no, for to be weekday.
I'm telling weekend. The function is wrong. The calculation is wrong. I'm telling calculation wrong. Intentionally, I've done something wrong here. I want you guys to find out.
Exactly.
Because see, for every day it's treating as weekday. Why it is treating as a weekday? See what I've told. If this is equal to 6, see, this is equal to 6. then it should it's not 6 guys, it should be 1 to 7. It is there, right? Friday is 6.
That's what I'm saying. It should be
Sunday is 1.
Sunday
is 1, so Saturday is 7. Okay, Saturday is 7. Okay, if it is equal to 1 or 7. Okay, let me just hit enter and see now. Now see.
No.
Now have a look. If 4, that is Wednesday, that is a weekday, guys. Sunday, yes, it's a holiday. It's my equation is telling me it's holiday. Then Thursday, it's a weekday. Sunday, weekend. Then let's see where is Saturday. Saturday, weekend. It is showing, guys, so beautifully.
Okay.
So that means what? That means what? Not only just functions, guys. Not only just functions. I can write complex statement also so much easily in Excel. Custom columns. I call it a custom column. So just now have a look. Go to sheet 1. So guys, I prepared my data. So much time I did presenting my data. Okay, just go here, data, refresh. And now come here, weekday or a weekend. On weekday, how much sales happened? On weekday, how much sales happened? I want to see. Just remove this and put it here and see. On weekday, how much sales happened? On weekend, how much sales happened? But blank is showing because I have not applied the formula till the bottom. So let me just go here and apply the formula till the bottom. See, I'll apply this formula till the bottom. I'll come to sheet 1 and I'll hit on the refresh all. And now see, guys, just answer one question. I'm spending 10 minutes in data preparation and just 2 minutes in data presentation. That shows the data cleaning power. If the data is clean, then reporting is very much easy. Okay, so now this is what we have seen: arithmetic operations, we have seen functions, and we have seen some complex way of doing also. But many things are there. But to get started, this is what we have for Excel. And immediately after the break, we'll be creating some attractive charts and dashboards. Okay, so quickly come back, guys, after a quick break of 15 minutes. So someone told it's 3:30. We have still 29 minutes. Someone.
So we have 26 minutes now. Now I sent it earlier when the time was 3:30.
Is it time to take break or we can continue? Everyone?
We can continue. We have. Can you hear me, Arif?
Yeah.
Hello. Yes. I sent it when the time was 3:30 p.m. here in Nigeria. So we have approximately
20 minutes more. Yes.
26 minutes to the break.
Yes. Okay. We'll continue then. Okay, guys. So this is what I have. So let's try to create a chart. It's the time to create a chart. So I have this pivot table. So I want this year information. I don't want this here, guys. I don't want weekday wise. I want some year.
Arif, I have a question, please, if you don't mind, please.
Go ahead.
All right, this is Paul speaking. Thank you. All right, my other mate was saying something about the other. Sorry, I'm hearing a feedback from myself.
Let's just then you can speak. Okay.
All right. So on the last if statement we used, so I was hoping if you can use a statement of if the M2 is less than, it should be giving us weekday, and if not, weekend. Do you understand what I'm saying? Will it work instead of me using?
It will work.
If statement instead of me using ifs.
Yes.
Condition.
No, you are right. I got your question. But tell me, see, 1 and 7 are on the weekend. So if you tell less than 6, less than 7, that means 1 also will come under the weekend only. Then it will treat as a weekday, right?
You're correct.
Correct. But in that case, that will be straightforward. See here, what I will do, I'll just go here and I'll just change this number. See, Monday 1, Saturday this one, 0 to 6. See, I'll just make it as 3. Yes, I'll make it as 3. Formatting. So this is what I have now. So this will get very much simplified for me. So what I will do, if M2 is lesser than 5, then it should be weekday. Okay, sorry about that. It should be weekday. Weekday, else it could be weekend. So even this way will work, right? So now have a look. So there is no change. Both the formulas are working perfectly, but my source information was different, right? This information was different earlier. Because of that, I had to use that if statement. Now, when I have this type of data, I have used this information. Makes sense to you?
I totally understand. Thank you so much for the clarity. Somebody should help us mute the background there.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen back. Sorry about that. I just stopped sharing. Okay, my screen. Okay, now.
Hello, Arif. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, a quick one, Arif. Like what Paul just said, that was what I was trying to. I was calling attention to that time. If less than 5, otherwise weekend. Thank you, Paul, for the attention.
Thank you too.
Thank you. Anyone else has any questions so far with the data preparation? So these are basic kind of data preparation, guys. We have a lot of still. See, so many options are there. So many things that you can do here. Huge set of possibilities in Excel. I've told you just some still. If you keep on learning, then weeks will pass on and you'll keep on learning. So much stuffs are there in Excel. Yes.
Coordinators, please help us mute the person speaking at the background.
Okay. Someone is telling that to just help them to create a pivot table. So what's a pivot table? It's a summarized table. If you are available, I'm just recreating a pivot table one more time. So have a look here. I just want to create a summarization of the data. So my business user or some analyst, I want to see which year has how much sales and which month has how much sales. I want to see on a table. I don't want the single day wise value. So such kind of table representation is called a pivot table. So how can I create a pivot table? How can I create a pivot table? So I can create pivot table, insert, and then pivot table is an option. And automatically your table range is getting selected here. If it is not getting selected, you can select automatically the table range. The table range that you select, it will select that here. It is changing here on the create pivot table option. It is changing, and see now I have all the information. See automatically. Then click on OK, and now I have options here to select what value you want. And now I want year. Where is my order year? Order year, order day is there. Order year, order year. I'll put it on columns, and I'll put on my, okay, I'll just see here order years are there, and then I'll just put it on rows for now. Okay, it's okay, you put it either way. Then I want sales amount. You can search also sales amount. See, drag and drop here, sales amount. Does that make sense? How to create a pivot table quickly. And now see, I can see year wise. Now I can add another layer to this. I can add month also, month or quarter also I can add. I can add quarter. See, order quarter I can add. See, a plus symbol will come. I can collapse this so beautifully. I can collapse, and I can go inside and see. Yes, I can go inside and see. So this way. But now I want to create the, I don't want this in a straight table, guys. I want this in a chart. But these blanks are coming, guys. Let's see what happens. Now I want to create a bar chart for this. So how can I create a bar chart? Can someone tell me? Can someone assist me on that?
Yes, you go to the top.
Insert, and I have different chart options here.
Yes,
histogram is there, and I have bar here.
Bar
See?
chart, yeah.
Bar chart, two-dimensional bar chart. Okay. Now I have a bar chart that is blank. So now I have to select the data. Okay, select the data. So select the data of this range. Now click on OK. And guys, here we go. Bar chart is created. And some blanks are coming. So we'll learn how to remove those blanks. So now have a look. 7, 8, 9 blanks are okay. Now just I want to see the labels and verify this value is same as this or no. See, data labels, activate and see 145921375. See, these numbers are same. So beautifully it is coming. So now you can do n number of formatting here. So I created a bar chart. Okay, now can I create some different kind of chart here? I can create a pie chart also. Okay, now click on insert and click on a pie chart and see you have different types of pie chart. And now some interesting chart will take. Yes, and now see automatically it got converted. I didn't even recreate it one more time. The same got converted. So now click on this formatting and then see you can see different ways to represent. Different ways to represent. So guys, just think what is the possibility to achieve. So different types of charts are there. And now I can have, yeah, someone is telling something.
Hello, Mr. Arif. Hello,
Yeah.
Arif.
Yeah, tell me
sorry.
please.
Having done that, is it not possible to, does it make sense? Can one land a pie chart and a bar chart together? Just the way you do a visualization on Power BI.
Line chart and bar chart together, correct?
Yes, yes, something
Yeah,
like that.
I'll do that. It is very much easy. I'll do that.
Okay.
Have a look here. I'll just remove this. I'll just do Control X. I don't want this. Okay. Now you want to do that, right? So in this table only, right click on this pivot table, go to show field settings. Show field list and then add production cost also. Production cost also, add on values. And now see, to have different values. So what I will do here, I will just insert a combinational chart. But how can I add a combinational chart, guys? Any idea? Combo chart. See, I have a combo chart option. What type of combo chart you want? Select it. So I'll just take my combo chart here and see automatically your production cost and sales amount are coming together. The blue color is the bar, which is the sales amount, and the orange color is the line, which is a production cost. And you can just validate this by using changing a style also. And so you can see, you can change the style, and you can just go and add the data labels and see. Is it what you expected? And someone told how to add filters. Okay, have a look here. I'll just add this blank. I don't want, guys. So I'll take here. I'll take here, order here, and I'll put on filters. And now see, I'll just go drop down here and I'll select multiple values, uncheck blank. Now that blank will go away from here. Now click on data and then refresh all. So blank, why is showing blank here? So have I applied the function till the end? Function should be applied till the end, then only it will work. Where is my order here? Okay, control shift, control down, and yes, it's applied. So let me just come to the sheet one and see. I have blank. Okay, blank values are there, multiple values are selected.
The quarter is, the formula doesn't go down. The quarter on the quarters column, on the data set, the formula didn't on quarter.
One second, let me just come here and show you the quarter. This is quarter, right? This is year.
Yes, we didn't drag it to the last.
Drag it to the end.
To the end, which is why we're having blanks.
Okay.
On the sales, we didn't drag the quarter.
Okay, not like that. Order, quarter. This I have to drag on filters, and then I have to remove this thing from here. I have to remove this thing. And now it will show up. Okay, let me just remove this filter. Year filter I don't want. Year filter I don't want. I want this rows order date quarter. I'll just remove it on rows. Okay, now see, gone, right? Blank's gone. I don't have anything as blank. Press this quarter and put it here. So it is removing from one place, guys. So Control Z and it's applied. And now I can select any values from here. See, drop down. If you want to show blank, you can show blank also. See, blank is coming. I don't want to show blanks. I have to remove blanks. So each quarter, what is the sales amount and what is the production cost? It is showing me on a chart. So you can create any type of chart you want. So the same thing after the break we'll be doing on Power BI also, and how Power BI will deal with this, it is so amazing. So for next 10 minutes we will take questions on SQL. So many of us, I'm sure many of us have used Excel so far. So come up with questions, guys, what you have tried so far, and if you were able to do that or you had faced any challenges on that, please let me know. Over to you now. So someone told, what is the function of the filter in pivot table fields? There is no function to filter. You have to do that manually, filtering. Anyone wants to add something?
Hello, Harry. My question is on, okay, this is Paul speaking. Good afternoon, everyone, once again. Okay, so my question from the app I use when I download, most of the time, the dating formats are not consistent. All right. So any advice? You know what I mean by not consistent? Some of them you see dashes, some of them you see slash, and it won't interpret the dates for manipulation or for editing. So what will you advise?
Okay. In that case, you have to use. So you are telling that your data, the data user enters the date format. Someone please go on mute. I'll explain. So you are telling that some user insert a forward slash, some user insert a hyphen between, someone insert a underscore between the date parts of the field, correct? So how we can unify that?
You're very correct, sir.
Correct. Okay. So now let's see if I have any function for that. Date time function. I don't have any data. Which application do you use? Do you use Excel or do you use Power BI?
I use Excel.
Yes. Yes. Someone told, how do you know the top and bottom production cost of a quarter? Yes. So you can sort them. You can sort them here to get the data. But to get the top and bottom, that's the place where Power BI overtakes Excel. Yes, max and minimum. You have option there. Max and minimum option is there. Top 10 option is there. Top 15 option is there in Power BI, and that will become very much easy for you. And we have an entire 22 to 25 hours of program in Power BI, which will teach all these concepts. Top 10, top 5, how to make dynamic things. Yes, how to create multiple charts, how to create a dashboard. At end of this program, I'll be showing you one dashboard, guys. I'll be showing you one dashboard, which you will be able to create after 20 hours of program. And you'll be amazed to see that. So beautiful the dashboard will be. Make sense? This feature is possible in Power BI. I'll show that. Okay. Now coming to your question. Okay. Let me just see if my alternate function. I don't have alternate function. Okay. In that case, here you have to use if statement only. Okay. Let me just take an example. What you are telling here is 1 hyphen 05 hyphen 2021. You are telling insert, and this is a date. Automatically it sends it as a date. See now 1 forward slash 05 forward slash 2021. This one I have added an additional thing here. Now see what is happening here. What did I enter? Enter forward slash. If I enter forward slash and then I'm just entering, see, it is not taking forward slash because the above value has already taken an hyphen. Now let me just take this as May and see, it's not allowing me only, guys. Why? Why? Because Excel is smart enough to sense the information. Can you just check whether you are using a date format on that field or no? If you are not using the date format, then it is a challenge. If you are using a date format, then there is no challenge. Or else, if you have like that, you can use left mid function. So now have a look here. I will use underscore here. I will use underscore. I will use underscore. So now even this is a date, and see, even this is a date. So someone typed something 8 minutes break, 8 minutes to break. Okay, no problem. So someone asked a question. Can you just speak up, unmute yourself and speak? How Excel is understanding the data set? Can you just see? Whatever you enter, it is understanding it as a date. Okay, now what I will just take it as a month. Okay, 10105. Okay, now have a look. The only challenge you will face here is when it's DDMMYY, DDMMYYYY, YYYY, or you take MMDDYYYY. Okay. So only challenge is this. But underscore hyphen, see, if I insert hyphen or forward backward slash, if I use backward slash here, backward slash and hit enter, and see what will happen. Backward slash only it is converting. And now let type 05 hyphen 01 hyphen 2021 and see. But this is not a, this is also date and this is also date. Now what's the difference now for in this and this? So you are telling how can I convert this and this? Some standard notations are there which will be treated as a valid date. But if some unconventional specifiers are mentioned, how to deal with that? Like this. How to deal with that? Okay, so what I will do, I'll use a function equal to year, month, and date. 3 fields you have to add. 3 fields means what I will do, I'll use a left function, right function first. First year, month, and day you have to do it. Year means what? Right side of this. Okay, right of this field, comma 4 digits will be my month, year. Okay, then comma middle I have month. Okay, mid of this field, comma starts from 1 2 3 4, starts from 4 and 2 digits. Okay, then last date, left of this comma 2 digits. Okay, now close this and enter. Okay, now see, it got converted here into a standard notations. So just forget about this. So if there is a string value that is he is entering, so think he is entering like 0508 space 01 space 2021 2012, enter, and see this is a string, and let's try to convert it to a date and see it's date, it's a string and it's a date. Can you just unmute yourself and speak if this answers your question?
I've been clapping for you over here. Fantastic.
It's happened, right?
Fantastic. You did well. Thank you.
Yeah. See, if someone use hyphen, if you have someone use space, whatever he use, see, I'll use some different notation here. What I will use, whatever notation, let him use. I don't care now. Escape. I'll just type 12 and I'll add one, this like comma. I'll add comma. comma, and I'll add 01, comma, 2021, and just hit enter. And see, I'll just remove this part. Okay, I'll just add a comma, and I'll just add a comma here also. And let's see what will happen here. See, why it is not showing this 12/12/21? Because this is not a valid date. 2012 it should be there. Okay, now let's see. 2013 is coming because this is not a valid date again. If it is not a valid date, then automatically it will not work. Yes. So this is the way you can use it. So make a note of this function. See, date function is there, in which it needs 3 different parameters. One is right, mid, and left. See guys, so beautifully we have used left, right functions also. And next question is with respect to conditional formatting. Okay. So now let's go to my pivot table. Okay, pivot table. Okay, and I don't want this. Escape. And I'll just drag this here and I'll keep it like this. Okay, I want to do a conditional formatting on this. Conditional formatting. Highlight, rules are there, greater than or lesser than. Top, bottom, see, make rules. Top, bottom, how many values you want? Top 1 or top 2? Top 2. Format. Let's keep it like this. Click on OK. Or else I can just write the color greater than, and see, automatically the color is coming. So greater than this value, it's giving color. Okay, now if I mention some different value, 1 million. So yes, so colors are getting changed automatically, guys. Now you want some other top and bottom rules. Okay, let me just clear the rules. Clear rules. I don't want clear rules. Clear all rules. Okay. Now conditional format, top and bottom, top percentage, top 10 items. Top 10 items. Top 10 items. Okay. See, top 1 item. See, this is top. Someone asked me which is top and which is bottom. Top 10. Yeah, minimum 10. Yes. You don't want top. You want 2 top. Yes, these are top 2 in my list. So beautifully I can do analysis, guys. Just think. Isn't it fun? Everyone, the one who asked the question about top and bottom, here is an answer for you. You can conditionally format, and then you have this. You can select that value and you have n number of options here, and you can go for data bars also. Click on data bars and see so beautifully the larger value is getting larger bar and lesser value is getting lesser bar. Yes. Excel is very powerful, guys. Don't ever underestimate Excel. Hope we got a understanding to a greater extent now, just in a matter of 2 hours, and how we can achieve a lot of things in Excel. First, just think, guys, we have seen how to clean the data. We have understood what is the data modeling, what is the relationship between the tables. Then we used arithmetic operations. Then we have seen what is meant by functions. Different functions are there. Then we have seen, after seeing a huge list of functions, we have seen conditional statement, if statements, and someone of us suggested another way of presenting that. Yes, we did that. Then we saw pivot tables. Why do we need pivot tables? Couple of times. Then created multiple charts out of the pivot tables, and we have seen conditional formatting also. Make sense to everyone? Hope you guys feeling it is as interesting. So just hold on. After the break, we'll be getting
okay, Mohammed, we can go on break now, right?
Yes, we'll be taking a break now.
Okay. So we're going on a break for 15 minutes. So exactly 4:15 we'll be back.
Yes.
So Mohammed will continue the training. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. So we'll be starting with Power BI after the break. Introduction to Power BI.
Okay.
Hello, admin. Hello? Hello, admin. Hello, admin.
I can hear you, Victor.
Hello, admin, please. Is this recorded, please?
Yes, it's recorded. There was an information part earlier.
Okay.
So how you
Even
can
with
access the
yesterday,
recording. Yes.
as in even with yesterday, so we can access it maybe later.
Yes.
Will
Yes.
it be posted? Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Mohammed, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll meet back after the break.
Yes.
So team, is everyone back? So we have done with our 15 minutes break.
Okay, I think Mohammed got disconnected for a few seconds. He was
Yeah.
in.
So guys,
Okay, he's back.
so we have 29 participants. Okay. So now let me just quickly share my screen. I'll just show you the interface of Power BI. Let me know, guys, if my screen is visible. So once you open the Power BI, Grace, is the installation guide shared with the participants?
Yes, they were sent.
Okay, guys. So once you install that, you will see this interface. After installing, following the steps there and installing it and opening it, you will see this interface when you open Power BI desktop. So now how to get started with Power BI desktop? So I don't have anything currently in Power BI desktop. So remember 3 important sections in Power BI. These 3 important sections and these sections, very important for us. So this is the chart view where I can create my charts. Currently I'm in this chart view. This is the data view where I can see my data. And finally, this is my data model view. So relationship model that I've discussed earlier before starting the session. Okay. And now this is the number of charts that are available in Power BI. And then this is the formatting of Power BI, and here you can add the fields. So what are the steps that you need to follow in order to work with Power BI? So I'll just brief you out on the steps. First step, connect to data. Connect to data. Second, create data model. If you have multiple tables, then create a data model. Then create charts. Create charts on this. So these 3 steps we'll be doing now. So along with all that new columns that we created in Excel, the same columns I will help you to creating in Power BI also. And let's see how quick it will be in Power BI. So now how to get the data from that Excel file. So here is an option. Click on get data and click on more. We have Excel there only on top, but I'm going on more. So why I have clicked on more there? Yesterday, if you remember, I have told n number of different data sources. N number of different data sources are available currently in the market, and we should be able to connect to each one of them in order to create effective data visualizations or to cover many different sources. So now have a look. Many different sources are there. My data might be in SQL Server, my data might be in Excel, my data might be in flat files, anywhere my data can be. So the Excel information that we connected in, we analyzed in Excel, the information that is present in Excel that we just now analyzed, we'll do the same analysis in Power BI also. And let's see how quickly we can do. So my source of information is Excel now. So let me just keep this aside. Okay. Now Excel connect. And let me just go to the downloads. I have that Excel file there, and I'll just search for that Excel file and see case study Excel file. Click on open. Multiple tabs are there. Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4 were there. So now my the important tab for me is tab tab 2. Tab 1 is information. Tab 2 is sales. So I'll take the sales sheet now. So that will pop up now for me. So now have a look. So I have 4 sheets inside that. So sales sheet. So have a look. All the information will be available in the form of table. Perfect. And I have all the information. Now click on load. Transform data is there. If you want to clean that data, clean in the sense some null values are there, some discrepancy is there in the data, headers are not properly aligned. So at that time you have to go to transform data. So altogether a different topic. So now see, I'm loading that information. And after loading this, we will do the same transformation as we did earlier.
Okay, so it's loaded is better.
Feel free to type your questions, guys, on the chat window. Have a look. 12,535 records got pulled into my Power BI. So where is that table available now? Where is the table available for me? So in the data model. In the data model, that table I can see. Okay. Graphical representation. Let me just click on data model and see the table will be available. See, this table is available. So graphical representation. Now, if you want to clean that information, go to data. And then let's do the same step as we did earlier. So have a look. Let me just keep this aside here. So data preview is generating. And now let me just come here, see, order date. Order date key is there, date key is there, order date. Automatically it sends as a date field. And now see, all options are coming. So I can change the format here also, as I changed there. I can change the format here also. But see, so large list of formatting is available here for me. Now let's do the same arithmetic operations, do the same functions, do the same conditional. Okay. So now let's get started. Earlier in Excel, I used to click on that cell and I have to create a formula, but I don't have any cell format here. The data that is stored in rows and columns. Can someone speaking go on mute, please, if you don't have any questions?
Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
Please, did they share the data to every one of us, our emails?
Yes, data is shared.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. On the chat window itself, you can see the data.
I didn't get it.
No, on the chat window, only it was pasted just few minutes back, maybe in the first session.
Oh.
It was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't access this now. I access it.
Okay. Grace, can you just help the participants on this? If you could just paste that on the chat window again. Yeah, you'll be getting it. So now first, okay.
Okay.
Please reshare that Excel file on the chat window. Yeah.
Hello, Arif. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to drag us back a bit. Sorry, is there any way you can refresh what you've done so far, please? So that I don't want you to go so much further, then I'm having challenge.
I have not done anything. So I have just connected my file and I have got this data, just one table. I have not done anything. We have just now started the session. We have just now started the session in order to get the data set. So if you want me to reconnect, I'll just do it. Not an issue. So I'll just delete from the model this table. Anyone
Abuja.
who have not followed, please follow along with me. So I'll just take you to this view and have a look here, guys. Okay. So 3 important sections here. One is the report, one is the data set, and one is the model. Model is used for relationships. Relationship come in the tables, relationship. And then this is used for cleaning or addition of new columns, cleaning or new columns. Then this one is for data type. Just click on new
What sound is that?
Okay. Now, three important sections, and here I have to add the fields. Okay, just follow along with me what I'm doing. So this is the blank Power BI file. So I have to get inside data first, and then I have to start creating the charts. So get the data. Click on get data and click on this Excel. If you have CSV file, click on CSV files. This is my data set. Now click on open. Click on open and click on this sales sheet is what we have seen in Excel also. The same sheet we'll be using here, and at the end of the program I will tell you how to create relationship between product and customer. Okay, now click on load. Okay, so let's wait for that Excel file to be loaded here. Okay, let me just go to the data model and see, guys, the table is available for me. It's loaded successfully and this information is available. So this is the model, and I want to do some data cleaning, guys. I want to do some data cleaning. So let's see what is the data format of this. Click on this header and above ribbon go on home. And now let's see what will be the data format for this. Okay, it should show me the data format. Let me just minimize this. Column tools, click on this column tools. Let's see. Click on this and see text, guys, text. Now what I will do, I want this to be numbers, right? Otherwise I cannot do my manipulations. Similarly, the first step what we did in Excel, drop down and convert this to numbers, decimal number, and let's see what will happen. See, with this data type change, your data will be stored differently. This may cause loss of data or precision. So let's click on yes. Let's see what will happen. So guys, something beautiful happened. Did I do find and replace in Power BI? Jay, Anthony, or anyone? Did I do find and replace? No, I didn't do anything.
No, you
but
didn't.
Power BI is smart enough to sense what type of data it is, and it is profile your data. It is profiling your data. And now see, automatically without me doing anything, it sends that information. Now the same thing I'll do for this column also. Data type to decimal number. I am not doing find and replace. So automatically it is changing for me. So it was text and I'm doing it on number. I can do it to money also. Automatically I can convert that to a money. And see, here it is there, decimal number and money. Okay. Now for this column also, I'll do the same steps. See, in the first step only we have seen, I need not do find and replace. I can just direct convert my data type. Yes. And see, similarly converted, and finally to this column also. Drop down and decimal number. Now first step of the cleaning is done. So I have got all the columns in number format. So I have to get actual sales amount, production cost, and the profit. Okay, new column, click on new column. And same arithmetic operations. Let's try to do that. Okay, now let's start typing here. What is the column name? Column name you have to give. Earlier on the first cell I have written, right? The same thing I will write here. Sales amount. Sales amount equal to what? Equal to, now I don't have to select these cells here. I don't have to select. I have to start typing quantity. Quantity. Start typing quantity. It will show you the field name. See, quantity. Select this quantity multiplied by, open a bracket, unit price minus discount. See, discount field will come. Discount field, where is the discount field? Yes, unit discount, and see, close it. Same expression I'm typing and just hit enter. There I have selected the cells. Here I'm not selecting the cells. I'm just typing the column names, column header names I'm typing. And now let's see what will happen here. Automatically the entire column get populated. I need not drag and drop till the end. See, all the values got populated automatically. I need not do anything. Sales amount got populated. Perfect. Now I want cost also. Okay, now click on new column again. And someone has typed something. Let's see what they are asking for. Okay, this is the file. Okay, now production cost. Okay, let me just remove this and type production cost. Production cost equal to what? Quantity multiplied by unit cost. Okay. Quantity, start typing quantity and quantity will come, double click on this. Multiplied by unit cost. Okay, unit discount, not discount, sorry, my bad. It's unit cost. Perfect. And now click on apply. See the development speed. And now I have this also. So I have to calculate profit now. New column again. I have to create a new column, and then what I have to do? I have to type profit. Profit equal to sales amount that I just now created. Sales amount. Where is my sales amount? Sales amount. Sales amount. Okay, let me just type sales amount. Yes, here you go. Sales amount minus what? Cost. Product cost. Okay, now click on apply. Next, what did I do after this, guys? I created a pivot table. I drag and drop date field, and then it gave me date sales per year. I don't have month value here. Nothing I have. So I don't have anything. This is a raw file. So let's try to create a chart now. So what type of chart I want to create? I want to create a bar chart. Have a look. I'll create a bar chart. Okay, click on this bar chart, second one, and that chart will appear here. See? This chart will appear here, and drag and drop the fields here. Now let's see something beautiful will happen. Okay, where is my date? Order date. And now see here, guys. In Excel, I created year. I created in Excel. I created quarter. In Excel, I created month. In Excel, I created weekday. But Do I need to create the same thing in Power BI? I need not create. Power BI is smart enough. It saw your field is date. Calendar symbol is there. Your field is date. Then let me help the developer, giving him the different values. Okay. So now let's see. I didn't have date. I'll just drag and drop year in access. Drag and drop. Drag and drop year in access. And take sales amount. Sales amount. Sales amount. Where is my sales amount? Sales amount. If I type sales amount will come and put it on values. And let's see. See guys, the chart is created year wise. I didn't create any year. Then how it came? I didn't create anything. That is what the power of the tool. Now I want to see the labels. Okay, what I will do, I'm currently in this section. I want to go in, I have to go in format. I have to go in format, and then value labels will be there. Data labels activate. See, data labels activated, but size is very much small. I will just go into data labels. Inside this data label, and I will increase the size of that. Okay, so now I'll increase the size to 20. So have a look. Now currently the units in millions. Automatically the units is showing in millions. If you want to show the change the units, have a look. You can change it to thousands also. So thousands. So quickly. And you can add the title for this also. Okay, now have a look. What else you can do on this? You can add a background color. You can add a background color for your chart also. Okay, now let's see. You can add a background color for your chart. You can just click on this and you'll get a view. Yes, you can add a background color. You can set up the border. Okay, you can set up the border for your chart and you can make it rounded. So really dashboarding features. So now this is year-wise chart for me. So similarly, I will create a line chart. I will create a line chart which will be month by sales. Okay, let's see that. I'll add sales amount again on the values. I will add date, order date, and from that I'll not take year. I'll take month now. Guys, why am I taking month? Month was not there in the data set, right? Month was not there in the data set. Then how did it appear here? That's the advantage of Power BI. Power BI will profile your data. Data profiling is the feature in Power BI, which will understand your data and it will try to make your work as much as easy as possible. So take this month and put it on axis. And see, Jan, Feb, March, April. I'll just make it bigger one so that you'll understand. I'll just go into x-axis. This is x-axis. And I will just increase the size of this, 15. Let's see, 15. See, Jan, Feb, March, it came up. So now this is my line chart. See, line chart for each and every month. So I didn't create that. But someone will come and ask me, I want different line for each year. This is for all the years. I want for different year. So what I will do, I will have an option here, legend. In legend, I will put year. And see, different line for each year will come. And see, different line for each year is coming. So beautiful. And then I will activate the data labels. And I'll activate the data labels. Where is my data labels? Data label is. So data label is coming. So I'll go inside this data labels and I will increase the size. Okay, I'll make it 12. And see, data labels got increased. Now, I want to show information at the quarter level also. Okay, let me just change the background of this again. So just in 1 hour, I'll be creating a dashboard. Just think how we can create that. Okay, I need not do any data cleaning here. Simple data cleaning is already there for me, but I will tell you how to create that. Okay, now let's just come to the background. Background is on. I'll just go to color and select the color, whichever I want. Okay, now I want to select the border. Okay, border. I will do the same aspects. Okay, so now have a look. this chart and this chart look same. So now I want another chart. I'll create a donut chart. Donut chart I'll create, and I'll keep this chart over here. I'll keep this chart over here. That is quarter versus here. I'll just take quarter now. Quarter again, it was not my field. I have not created quarter, but let's see how it is creating quarter in the legend. Quarter in the legend, if I put, and then sales amount, I'll put sales amount. Sales amount, I'll put it on values. Okay, see, I got it. So now I don't want this legend. So something new, interesting I'll do. I'll just go here. I'll just come to my details label, and I'll select what values should show here. Okay, all detail label, and then I'll increase this size. Okay, increase the size, and legend I will off, because here only it is showing quarter 1, quarter 2, right? Then why should I have that? Okay, similarly I'll just go to the background. Background is there. I'll just select the color for that background, so that uniformity needs to be maintained. I'll just go to the border, and then border, I'll just increase the size of this border. Okay, here we go. I have this size. So I want a title for this dashboard. So how can I add a title? It should tell me that something about this, right? So go to insert. Go to insert. There is a text box. Okay, take a text box and just double click on this. Type sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. Select this text and increase the size. How much you want, you increase it, and then make it a center aligned, and then make it to bold, and whatever color you want, you can assign. Whatever color you want, you can assign. Now have a look. So this is my sales dashboard. So now this one, this object, I will drag and drop and put it here. Click somewhere outside, it will get deactivated. Now click here, or else just stretch it. Just stretch it towards here, and then keep it here on the top. So this is my sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. Now I want some filters to be added. I want to see this information only for 1 year. Okay, so now what I can do, I can add a slicer. Slicer is what? A filter. A filter I can add. Click on this, and I will add this as a value. Okay, now let me just keep this on top. Now I will add a field in this. I will add a year. Year, where is my year? See, here I have year, order date, here I have. I'll drag and drop here. So I'm getting this like options. I can enter the value. I have, if you don't want to make it a slider, see, click on this slider. Automatically the value will change. See, 2008 and 2009. 8 and 9 will come, 7 will go. Have a look. See, 7 gone, 8 and 9 is there. Okay, now you don't want only 8. See, only 8 will show now. So sliders. See, all the charts are changing based on this slider. Okay, now I don't want this. I want a list box. List means I have to click, radio buttons will come. So let me just increase the size of this. Go to formatting and increase the size. Items, and then size will be there. Size, make it to 20. And see, you got this list. Year information, you can just keep it here. You want month, like similarly like this. Okay, copy this and paste it here. See, I'm reusing. I'm not creating everything again. I'm reusing the things. Okay, but I want a month here. I want this time month. Okay, remove this and add month. Month. See, month will come. So I have not created month again. Month is coming. Okay, now let's see. All months name will come. See, month name are coming. So let me just reduce the size of this. So items, I'll just go inside this and I'll reduce the size to 15. And see, all months name will come up here. Now, how will you interact with your dashboard? So select 2008 and see all the other charts will give only 2008. This is called slicing of information. Now select February, March, April, May. So press Control and select multiple values. And see, you'll get 3 months, March, April, May, and this also only 3 months. March, April, May. March will come in Q1 and April, May will come in Q2. And see, Q1 and Q2 only it is showing. And 2008, only 1 year information. So just tell me, guys, is it much faster compared to Excel? And many things are predefined for me. Make sense?
Mohammed, this is actually making sense. I am actually enjoying this. But I want to ask, hello?
Yeah, please, go ahead.
Okay. And your the year board, the chart you did for the year, you said okay, you did a column for 2007 that showing 2008 and 2000, the column for 2008 and the one for 2009.
Sorry, didn't get you. So you have 2008 here and you want to get 2009 also.
Yes.
Oh, press Control and click on 2009. Press Control key on the keyboard and press 2009. Automatically it will come.
Okay.
But if you want with, sorry.
Okay, you're clicking. Okay. So
yes.
To give me a chart for 2009 automatically.
A chart for?
It will give me a breakup for 2009 automatically on my chart.
Sorry.
If I click on if I click on 2009 now, the years is 2007, 2008, and 2009. So if I want a full chart for 2009, if I click on it, it will automatically give me on my bar chart for 2009.
2009?
Yes, it will.
One second. Let me just see.
Okay, Tunde, yes, I got it. Okay, say yes, yes. Okay, no problem. Okay, I get it.
Yeah, if I select 2008, it is giving me 2008. If I select 2009, it is giving me 2009. So it might not be clear for you. Let me just.
Okay, Mohammed, I get it. I understand now. I get it.
Understood, right? Okay.
Yeah, I understood. I get it.
I'll just go and increase the x-axis value here so that you'll see it clearly. So have a look, 2009. If I select 2008, this number will be 2008. So now, so a faster way of creating charts. Okay, now let me just go to the data set again. So how can I create that year column? So weekday column is not coming for me. How can I create that column? New column. Click on new column. And let's try to search the same functions as in was in Excel. Let's try to replicate the same functions in Power BI also. Let's see if it comes. Year. I'll type year. Year equal to what, guys? Year function. See, year function is there here also. Yes. And which is my date field? Order date. See, order date. Order date is there, and just select this and just hit enter. That's it. I need not do anything. See, year will get populated here. See, 2007, 2008, 2009, everything is coming. So now let's do the month. Similarly, new column. So that the same functions I did in Excel, I'm doing in Power BI also. Now you have to decide which is faster. Now, month equal to month function is there. See, month function of order date. Order date. Order date, and then hit enter. And see 1, 2, 3, 4 till 12, the month number will come. And now again, month name. Yes, let's see for month name. Do you have month name function? Month name equal to month name function do I have? No, I don't have month name function here, guys. So what should I do? Text function. So someone suggested text function. Here, the text function is called as a format function. Format function value is order date, comma, same you have to use. Yum. Enter. Let's see. It's a format function here. There it was text function, and here it is a format function. And see, 3-digit month name will come. May, June. Yes. If you want full month name, just come here, click add additional yum, and you'll get it like that. Simple as that. So let's see if someone asks something. Okay, so this is May, June. Yeah. So now full month name also I got. So now what I want, quarter, guys. Let's see. A quarter function was not there in Excel, but do I have quarter function here? Let's see if I have quarter function. If it is there, then I need not write that equation. Floor, seal, I need not write. Okay, let's see if I have that. Quarter equal to quarter function. So quarter, see, I have quarter function here. It was not there in Excel, but it's there in Power BI. Okay, now order date, and then click enter. So one advantage I got. Many advantages are there, guys. So I got this. Can we check all the functions? Yes, that functions only we are doing here. See here, that functions are there. Now, next, how I want some new functions. So that function list also I'll tell. As I've shown in Excel, that function list also we'll see here. And then type quarter. So, but one thing here, guys, quarter is coming as number. I don't want it as a number. I want that as a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So similarly, as I did in Excel, I'll do the same thing here. Double inverted commas. Click here. Double inverted commas. Add Q hyphen, and then write and symbol. Concatenate. Click on apply. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 will come. So much effort got reduced. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 will come now. See, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Yeah, perfect. Now, weekday function. We have done that weekday function also, right? New column. Weekday function. So let's get the weekday function. Weekday equal to weekday function. Do I have here weekday function? Yes, see, weekday function also is there. So date and return type. Okay, date is full date, order date, and same 1, 2, 3. Here also options will be there. Here also option 1, 2, 3 will be there. I'll just select 3. Okay, I'll select 3. 1, 2, 3 there also was there, and 1, 2, 3 here also is there. Okay. Now weekday name I want. How will I get weekday name? Same format function. So have a look. I got day name. So now new column again. So two more things, guys. Weekday name and weekend or a weekday. Yes, that we have to do. Weekday name equal to format function again. Format and order date, comma, and then WDDD. Okay, now apply and see. Someone told something here. Okay, have a look. I got the weekday functions also. Weekday name also I got. Now see, Wednesday, Tuesday. Yes, I got all this information, guys. Now, if statement, as we did there, if statement, can it be done here also? Yes, let's see. Weekday or weekend? Okay, weekday or weekend. Weekend equal to what? If, see, if statement is there. If weekday, see here, weekday is lesser than 5, then show it as working. Working, else it's holiday. Holiday. And then hit enter. Apply, let's see. Have a look. Sunday, holiday. Where is Saturday? Saturday, holiday. Rest all working. So now how much time is spent in Excel and how much time is spent in Power BI? And now see, and all data is available, and I can go into charts and again create all the charts. Now, someone asked me, I have this dashboard, I want to export this dashboard. So file, someone asked that question, right? Export to PDF. Click on this PDF, and then that will come as a PDF image, and you can use that image anywhere, and you can share that to anyone else also, or that PDF image you can use it as another report also. Can someone ping? Yeah, someone asked that question yesterday. Can I export that information?
Yeah, it was false.
Yes, and have a look here. The entire dashboard will get as an image, and see, and you can share it across that anyone you want. If you want to send it on email, you can send it. Make sense? Or else you can use this, in your presentation also. Make sense, everyone? Tableau and Power BI, there are, I would tell, both has their own advantages. Both has their own advantages. From one standpoint, Tableau is good. From another standpoint, Power BI is good. So it is a big debate. It's not a small topic to be discussed. It has a very much diverse definitions, where Tableau stands out of any other tools, and there are some examples where Power BI is much more advanced. Someone is telling export to web. What is meant by export to web? What do you expect from export to web? Okay, we'll take up this question. Okay, now I have only one information. Okay, embedded on web page. Yes, the link will be there. You can embed it on web page also. That is also one topic in Power BI. You can have this link and you can paste it on a web page. In your HTML code, you can add it, and whenever someone opens that, they will be able to see that. Embed. Power BI embed, we call it as. Now, have a look. Here we have one table. One table is feeling alone. So let's bring in another table and let's explore data modeling. Okay, data modeling is done here. Okay, let's see. Let's get data and click on Excel. And this Excel file, I'll get two tables now, not one table. Customer table and product table, both I will do, and I will see top 10 customers and top 10 products. Customer and product. Okay, load. In my sales table, product information was not there. In my sales table, customer information was not there, but the key was there that was connecting between the two tables. And I'll show you that only here now. You'll understand now what that relational system is. So we'll be doing top 10. We'll be doing conditional formatting now. how quickly it is we can do here. Yes, see, content errors. That's okay, no problem. Customer. Okay, now have a look. Automatically the table got relationship. So relations got created. Why this relationship got created? How? Because see, just click on this link and you'll see customer key here and customer key there. See, customer key and customer key. If the relationship is not created automatically, you can create by yourself. Very much easy how to create that relationship. So I'll just right click, I'll delete it, and I can create the relationship. So what is the advantage here? You can analyze when two tables are connected to each other using a link in between, then you can analyze the information from multiple ways. So now have a look, there is no relationship. So what I will do, I'll just drag customer key from here. I'll drop over the customer key only. See, a yellow color dotted line is coming. So when you see that on that customer key, the correct corresponding column, then you have to drop it. Then automatically the relationship will be created. Now let's do a little bit cleaning in customer table also. Let's do a little bit cleaning in product table also. Okay, this relationship is done. I'll just go to the data set and you can see three tables here now. Have a look, customer, sales and product. So let me just go to customer and see what cleaning I can do here. See, first name and last name is in same, birth date is there, but I don't have age. Okay, so many fields are there that can be analyzed here. Okay, first let me just calculate the age of the customer. So birth date is there. How can I calculate the age? Okay, new column. Click on new column and I'll cap customer age. I will type. So cleaning, data preparation, because I want to create a chart based on the age of the customer. So age, cust age equal to year function. Year of today. Today means today's year, that is 2021, minus year of birth date. Okay, birth date, yes. And see, just hit enter, customer age column will get created. Guys, so beautiful. Now, so many things are there that can be achieved here. And let's see, what is this? This column is text or this is text, guys. So let me just
please, I have a question.
Tell me.
Please, I have a question. Is it not possible to have the age beside birthday date? Like inserting a new column?
Does that make sense? Even if it is away from that, does it make any difference? It is the same table, right?
I didn't get that.
That doesn't make difference.
Well, I think you can.
The age is here, and in the same table, my date of birth is here. You cannot pull in. You cannot put that column here. See, I cannot drag and drop change the column order. That is not possible. But that doesn't make sense also to change that column order. Am I making sense? Guys, so I have, let me just see if I have any questions from someone. Okay, no questions, good. Someone asked a question, can we have that age column beside the birth date? No, that is not possible, but that doesn't make sense also. Keep it here because it's ultimately the same table, right? So now I'll go to the data model and show you one thing. See guys, customer name is in this table, sales is in this table, and product name is in this table. Can I create a bar chart by taking one column from here and one column from here? I can create, but that is not possible in Excel. In Excel, I have to use VLOOKUP and I have to pull that information from other Excel and I have to put it here. But here I can do because everything is connected. See, this connection is there, this connection is there. So I will create my visuals using this. Let me just create a new page. Click on this plus. And now I will create a bar chart. And I will come here and I will increase this size. Now what I will take, product customer, customer full name, customer name, just name I will take. Name, let's see, customer name is there. Customer name on axis I'll put, and I will take sales amount. Who is giving me more sales? Which customer is giving me more sales? I want to analyze that. Okay, now I'll just put it on values. Have a look. I got many things are blank because my data relationship is not built correctly. So let me just use product. Instead of that, let me just use product. Because the key column mismatch is there, that we need to do transformations. Let me just do product name. So product name, see, product name is there. I'll drag and drop this on axis. So let's see how many products. So many products are there, guys. So many products are there, but I'm not interested in all these products. I just want top 10 products or bottom 10 products. I want to see. How can I see those? So now have a look, select this chart, open this filters and product name. Inside the product name, drop down and you will get an option here, drop down basic filtering, and you will get top 10 option there. See, top N, and then select 10, type 10 by value. By what value you want to filter? Sales amount I want to filter. Sales amount I want to filter, and I will drag and drop sales amount on this field by value. And now see, apply, click on apply filter, only top 10 products you will see. And see, top 10 products. And you can just go into formatting and you can activate labels. And you can just go inside again and you can increase the size of that label. And see, 164K. Now I don't want top, I want bottom. Okay, let's see. Click on apply. Okay, now I don't want top and bottom. I want only the products who are crossing more than 50K. Let it be top 10 products, let it be 15 products, let it be 20 products. I don't care. So how can I do that? Okay, let's see. Let's clear this filter. Let's clear this filter and click on this clear filters and all will come up now. Now go to sales amount. I don't want to filter product. I want to filter sales amount. Okay, now see here. Sales amount is less than or equal to. Yes, numbers are there. Is greater than. Is greater than what value? 50K. Click on apply. See, only 5 products are there who has sales more than 50K. So easily it is available, right? Everyone, everything. Top 5, top 10 I can do. Similarly, I can see more than 50K, how many products are there? No, I want to see more than 30K, how many products are there? Click on apply. Now, between 30K and 80K, how many are there? And is less than, is greater than, is less than 80K. Apply filter. And see, between that upper limit and lower limit, these many products are there. So this is top N analysis and custom top analysis. Now coming to the next topic, conditional formatting. So how can do conditional formatting here? So let's create a pivot table. Matrix is called as a pivot table here. Let me just have this pivot table here, guys. Let me just have pivot table. And I will have, let me just see if someone has asked any questions. Okay, no questions so far. So now what will I do? I'll take year. I will take year. I'll take year from sales, order date, year I will take here, and I will put it in the rows. Not on the rows, I'll put it on columns. I don't want it on rows. Column, and then I'll just search for month. Month name, month name. I'll just drag and drop and put it on rows. Each year, each month. Okay, let's see. So month. Okay, let me just go and add sales amount. Profit. This time I'll put profit. Profit, and I will see values. So now by default, the aggregation is telling us sum. See here, I want to see average. I want to see different. See, I want to see minimum, maximum. I can do this, but just uh, click on this drop down. See, it is by default sum. No, if you want to see maximum sales in that particular month, in particular year, you can adjust your aggregation here. But by default, it's sum. So now let me just increase the size of this, and then go into the values. Let me just increase the value size. Value size is there. Let me just make it to 20. Okay, value got increased to 20. Perfect. And I have like this. And now totals are there. If you want to keep totals, you can keep, or else you can remove. So how can remove the totals? Have a look here. Column headers, totals, subtotals are there. Subtotals, row subtotals, and column subtotals. You can remove. Yes, I can. Yes, I can remove like this. Now I'll just come here. One option is there. How quickly I can do conditional formatting here? Have a look. Just only one option. Click on conditional formatting and click on background color. Now have a look. Conditional formatting got applied. Darker the color, higher the sales. So now easily you can tell. In the year of 2007, I have 92.157K. And similarly, I have in the year of 2009, in the month of May, I have 96.275K. But I don't want this to be a background color. I want this to be a text color changed. Okay. So disable this and enable the font color. Okay. So now I'll have this. But I don't want this to be this color. I want to change that color. So my constraint is different. Click on advanced. You'll get an option to select the color also. So easily I'm able to do this, guys. Just on click, I've not touched even a single time the keyboard. I'm just selecting the values. Now have a look, sum of profit, and based on the scale, lowest value here should be a custom color that is red, and highest value should have the custom color that is green. And middle values, if you want, you can keep as diverging, and then it will come. Click on OK, and let's see the magic. Yes, here we go, and see so beautifully the green and red is coming. No, I'll just remove this thing, and I'll do the same thing in background color also. And I'll select this. I'll select red. I'll select green, and I'll make it diverging. And now see, background color will change. Yes, so beautiful. Another way of formatting. I don't want color. I want to put icons there. If less than 25K, one color, one icon. If greater than 75K, one icon, and in between another icon. So remove this. And then click on icons. See guys, so flexible it is. Click on icons, automatically the icons will come. So larger values, green color. Medium values, orange color, and lesser values, it's red color. So how it is designing, how it is deciding the color, icon and its color. Okay, let's go in advanced and see the range. Yes, so beautiful. Now I don't want like this. I want different icons. Click on this drop down and select like this. Yes, see down. Yes, now I don't want in percentage. I want in numbers. Okay, click on numbers, click on numbers, click on numbers. Similarly, click on numbers. I don't want in percentage numbers. 0 to 25K. Yes. Then is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 25K. Greater than, yes, is greater than 25K and lesser than 75K. 25K, and then is greater than 75K. 75K and is lesser than, I'll just give some larger value. Yes, which is not possible to be reached. Click on OK and see the icons, how it will change. Yes, here we go. None of the values are less than 25K. I can tell because there is no red icon only. Only in the entire 3 years, in all 12 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 months has crossed my target. Makes sense, guys? So that is the advantage of Power BI and how quickly I can create and how easily I can, and huge list of charts are available. So finally, we'll be creating a map chart. Map chart means real-time map chart. Okay, we have one question. We have a map chart, guys. Different countries you want to see. Okay, let's see. Two types of map charts are there. I'll show you different types of map charts based on their sales amount. Which country has how much sales? Okay. And then we have country. Let's see, country. Do you have country or city information? Which city or which country has? Yes, country information. Yes, country. I will add in locations. And in which country how much sales had happened? I'll do in as a sales amount. Sales amount. Here, guys, so many countries. So beautifully the map came, and it's a real-time chart. In order to work with the map charts, you should have a real-time internet connections. Internet connection should be active for you to use map charts. Okay. Now, size of this bubble should be like this. Now, larger the sales, larger the size of the bubble. So beautiful, guys. See, I can see easily. So along with this bubble, I want to increase the size of this bubble. So it's very much small. Increase the size of the bubble. Size bubbles. Click on this bubble and increase the size a little bit, so that it will be neat for me. Yes, have a look. Now what I will do, I'll just add the colors. Data colors will be there. Data colors. Click on this data colors. Default color is there. I don't want a default color. I want a custom color. Higher the sales, higher the size of the bubble, and it should be green. Okay. Lowest value should be red. Highest value should be green, and in between it should be diverging. And click on OK. And let's see which country has highest sales and which country has lower sales. Even though the bubble size is telling, yes, here we go. This is the map chart. And this is a real-time map chart. And you can zoom in, guys. You can zoom in. See, it will take you to the street level. And as I go in, see, and as I go in, it will give me the real-time data. And have a look. I can go in. Yes. I can go in at the street level also. Okay, let me just remove this. I'll just go to remove this country. I'll remove. I'll put cities. Let's see what will happen if I put city. Number of dots will increase. City. Do you have city? Yes. Customer city and add locations. Let's see. At the city level also I can see. At the road level, at the icon level. Yes, so beautiful, guys. And see, I can go inside. Which city? Edinburgh. Yes. And have a look. London. And see, I'm just going in and it will take me to the street level also, and roads. Yes, I can see roads now. Yes, and Birmingham, I can see the value. Earlier it was country level. Now I can see the street level. Yes, not city level. And see, and out of these so many cities, this city, London, has more. Yes. This is how we create our map charts, and so easy. And here I can just add the colors also. One more thing that I would like to show you guys here with the map charts. I'll just go to the map charts here and map styles. See, road. I have different styles also, and I have road and I have aerial. Let's see if I make it to aerial, then what will be the look of this map? And see, it's like a real-time map. And see everything I can see, aerial view. Just think, when you have latitudes and longitude locations of your restaurants or hotels or hospitals where you want to analyze, then you just put latitudes and longitudes here instead of the cities. See, latitudes and longitudes are there. Pinpoint where you are sitting. At that point, you can point on the map and you can show your sales there. That is the power of map charts here. And last but not the least, one more type of beautiful option that is present here.
Sorry, before you go, I want to ask a question. Is it possible to filter the map? Can we filter the map? Maybe, for example, we don't want to select the whole countries.
Sorry?
Is it possible to filter the map?
Yes. Have a look. Add a slicer. Click here. Add a slicer. Add a slicer and add country name there. Country, and add, drag and drop your country there. And you'll get a list of countries. See, now select United States. Select United States and see the chart will get reflect based on that. And see, only United States it is showing for me now. And rest all, it is just information. Yep.
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay, thank you.
I can filter rather than saying all the countries. I can see only this. Earlier it was showing all the cities, right? Now see, it will give me all the cities across the world. Now see, it is not giving now. So I'll just click on Poland. Let's see. And now see, it is taking directly there. Make sense?
Okay.
Only one. Okay. So this is where you can filter. Now, the main thing. I don't have a chart, guys. Think you don't want to create a chart. Instead, you want to ask a question. Type the question and get the answer. Q&A. Yes. Have a look. I have a Q&A box. Click on this. Q&A box will come. And see, a box will come up here and you can just type your question and it will generate a chart for you. And then sales by year. Let's see how it will generate. Someone is typing something. See, guys. Okay, let me just remove and insert, go in insert. And I'll just add Q&A button. Q&A option here and have a look. So I have something here. I will type a question now. Sales amount by year. See here, guys. I'm typing a question and chart is getting generated for me. 7, 8, 9, and 10. There is no sales. Sales by year, bar chart. Bar chart. Okay, let me just see bar chart. Okay, bar chart. And see, automatically sales by year bar chart came. Okay, sales by year pie chart. Okay, sales by year pie chart. I'm just typing the question, guys. I'm not creating the chart. See how advanced it is. Pie spelling is wrong in my case, so I have to correct that. So it should show me pie chart. See, pie chart came up. Now for United States. For United States. United States. See, I'll get United States. I'll just type United States. So United States is not get it. So See?
Yes, I understand. I know.
Someone please go on mute if you're not speaking. And now have a look, and I can just type sales amount by country. Okay, let's type country. Let's see. You can just ask question and country and see. Let's see what will be the information. Let's see bar chart, guys. Yes, I got it. Country, by country, by category, by country, and by product. Okay, let's see what will I get for this. See, it's getting me like this because chart. Okay. I can type my question, I can get the answer. So natural language processing is available here. So in your dashboard, think if you have some different kind of chart in your dashboard that you created and you want to give the flexibility to a user. So you don't like one of the chart present here. Okay, you just have this option here and you can create your see your own charts, whatever you want. Give this button for him. He will see his own charts. And now what I will do for this, I'll just give a different interface. Okay, Q&A button. Okay, have a look. So this kind of button I will add on my dashboard. So this kind of representation. So it will good. Okay, ask questions. Ask question in this way. Click on this and a pop-up window will appear. A pop-up window will appear where you can ask question and it will show you the chart. And see, a window is appearing. Okay. Sales by year. Sales by year. Okay, now sales by. It is suggesting what you are trying to type. It is asking, okay, sales by year. And see, you'll get the result. Sales by year. I have not typed it correctly. Order year. Sales by order year. And let's see. It gave me information. Sales amount. By month. I'll just take month. Let's see. Order month. Let's see what it will give. Yes, the chart that I created earlier. Now it came like this. For order year. For order year. See, month wise I'm getting. Month wise information. Order year 2009 I will give. Let's see. Only for 2009 the values are coming. Guys, you need not do even selections. You just type the question and you'll get the answer. That is what power of natural language. Many features are there, guys. This is just a demo. Many features are there in Power BI, which will take the analysis to the next level. Many things here to learn. So guys, we are open to take the questions. Over to you. So we have seen data modeling, we have seen how to create charts, then we have seen advantages which we have in Excel and how we have much more things in Power BI. Yes. The same thing we did in Excel, half of the things what that we did in Power BI, not even half of the things. Less things we have done in Excel in 1.5 hours or 2 hours of session. But in yep, tell me please. Please unmute yourself and come up with your questions. So someone says I've been using Google Data Studio, but now it's looked like a toy.
Hello, Fred. Hello?
Yes,
hello, Aris. Okay. Most of us are still in the euphoria of how amazing this this application it is and how we can make use of it.
Yes.
That's why you see most of us so quiet and we're just still in that euphoria of how amazing this app is. And it would be so amazing if most of our organizations can buy into it and they pay that token so that it will make work easy for most of us, you understand? Because since they are still on this Excel and PowerPoint, but with this, I'll just do this and everybody can just, whatever you want, just ask questions. I don't have to be there. You will just get it. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. I don't know. Thank you so much for this. We do really appreciate. All we just need to do is just for us to start implementing most of these things you've taught us, and we are sure that we'll get the video because we needed to pay attention. We are not actually practicing as you're saying is because we needed to pay attention. So we will want to go back, do the exercises as you are doing it, we implement, and we continue to make use of it in our own little way. Thank you so much, and thanks to the organizers. I really appreciate this.
Thank you so much. And these are just that 15 to 20% of Power BI that we have seen. Just imagine what will be the rest 80%. Thank you so much for your inputs. Anyone else would like to ask your questions? Anything?
Yeah, my question is, and the dashboard now, when we add more information to the database, does this change or is it just static like that?
Yes, automatically. You have to just click on this, come to home, and then refresh option will be there. Click on this refresh. That's it.
Okay.
Just refresh and automatically see it is going to the Excel file and getting the data one more time for me.
Okay.
Just on one click, all the information, all the transformation will come in. So it is throwing some error to me, but in your case, it will not be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So only one click, that is enough for you. Yes, it's a tip of the iceberg. You told it right. A lot of things are there in Power BI. And guys, the way of the way we have learned it, without even a PowerPoint presentation, coming to your level of understanding, yes, this is the way that we should learn something. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your inputs.
Yeah, sorry, I have a question. Is it is it possible for for example, my streaming, like if I stream on YouTube or Facebook and I want to analyze the statistics of those events, so can I import all those statistics in Power BI?
From where?
Maybe just like where you import the information from Excel, can I also import from probably Facebook or
there is a Power BI templates. There are some Power BI templates out of which you can create your own dashboard. Power BI has created a templates for you already. If you are part of Power BI Pro license, then templates are already available. Those templates you can use and you can just log into YouTube or any other services and ready-made dashboard will be available to you. You need not even create the dashboard.
Okay.
So templates are already available. Those templates you have to take in Power BI and then you have to just log in to your account. Say you have YouTube, say you have Salesforce, say you have any other Twitter account, anywhere that you have your account, you have to just log in. If the template is available, then automatically all the charts will get created for you. You need not do anything.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you see Google Analytics? LinkedIn? So let me just show if I can connect to LinkedIn. I can get the data from LinkedIn also.
Okay.
So if you want to get from any other sources, see, so many sources are there.
Yeah.
correct? GitHub, Data World, Adobe Analytics, and this is what you wanted, right? Salesforce. If you have some services in that data, and you can, how can you connect and get the data, correct? Huge. This is just online sources. And you have web connector. Say if you have some web connector like dataworld.com, the data is published on a server or service, you can just connect to that and see. Web, just add the link there and you'll get the data.
Okay.
Online sources, yes, and from anywhere you can get data in Power BI. Do I need to be connected to use other features of Power BI? Means what feature? Means what feature? See, everything is available for you locally. Only in the case of map charts, as it is a live map, you have to be connected to internet. And sometimes some charts are not available here. Some other, if you want to use some other chart which is not available here, at that time you have to get the data from Microsoft Store. See, click here and get more visuals option is there, and you can get your visuals from Microsoft certified store. Microsoft certified store, more than thousands of charts are available. If you just log in here, you'll get that. Huge list of charts are there. So let me just take some other questions. Guys, any questions you have? Pro and Premium are not the versions. So Pro and Premium are the license types. So Pro and Premium are the license, means different types of license type that you can have in Tableau. Power BI. Pro means it will give you some limitations on, like daily you can 8 times schedule a refresh, but Premium you can schedule 48 times a daily a refresh. In Pro, your maximum data set will be 1 GB of one table, whereas in a Premium it can be 10 GBs. So that limitation is there, but tool will be same that you use. There is no difference in the tool. Pro and Premium is the license types. These are not the tools. Okay, does that answer your question?
Sorry, please. What are the security listing in Power BI?
Yes, thank you so much for asking this. So security, I'll tell you. I will just go to modeling and I can set up the roles. See here, manage roles. I can click on this manage roles and you can create a role. Means security means you can give one role, role manager, role salesperson, role director. You can create roles and you can apply those roles here. And then once you publish this dashboard to Power BI service, see, you'll get an option here to publish. Once you publish this dashboard to service, then automatically the roles that you added there, you can assign each and every person to that role, and only that information they will be able to see once you publish.
Okay, like for example, like if in a company we are two that work on Power BI, maybe is it, I mean, is that like a way for where both of us can be using the Power BI, maybe like different locations, maybe like giving access, just like in.
Have a look.
Yeah.
Have a look here. I'll just create one role for you and I'll show you what will happen. Modeling, click on manage roles, and I will create a role of customer on the create new role, and this one role is a C, and on this I will just add a filter. Add a filter country. Where is the country? Country, and I'll put any country name there. Only that country information will be visible for me. So just allow me 1 minute. It will come up and see country, and country name I'll give as United States. United States. United States. Okay. Now this is one role that I created, and I'll just give the name. Rename it to role United States. So place wise security you are maintaining here. Country wise security. Let just come. So in the detailed program, we have complete demonstration of each and every topic. So have a look here. Role name I have given. So I can create second role, role 2, and I can add a filter for this. Filter for country. That is, I'll add India or any other countries. United Kingdom I will add. Let's see. And see here, I'll add United Kingdom or Australia. Correct? I'll just create on save. So now have a look, view as. Click on view as and then select your role. See, new role. New role is for United States, right? Click on this and click on OK. And you will see only that United States information. And once you publish this report, you can assign that particular role to any other user. See, if I go to the map chart, you will see only United States information available there. You will not see any other information. See, United States only here.
Okay.
Right? Makes sense? This is what security you are talking about.
Yeah.
See,
good.
only United.
Yeah.
And then view as Australia, and then uncheck this. Click on OK. Only Australia information you will be able to see. Roles. And these roles you can assign to any individual person. See?
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep. Thank
so
you.
this is how you design the security, and it's very much simple compared to any other tool. It's very much handy, and anyone can create security roles.
I wanted to find out, just like if you assign roles to different individuals, so can everybody be working on their roles at the same time if it does not, if it's not going to have an effect on the
It will not going to affect. Yes. If see, if I have assigned, there are two persons, you and me. You are assigned to a different role and I have assigned to a different role. Even you can work parallelly, even I can work parallelly, but the information you will see based on your security rule and I can see based on my security rule. There is no conflict.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hope the session was eye-opener for us, where we can do much more things in Power BI and in Excel.
Yeah. It's good.
Okay, guys, we have 10 minutes more. More questions or more inputs from your end. You want to let us know about your learning experience? Yes, we are open to take up that. No questions? No comments? No inputs?
Hello, Arif. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, Arif.
Yep.
I'll suggest maybe can you give out a kind of assignment to people so that at least to see how well it could be on Excel or Power BI, just something to do. Or what do you think?
Yes. No, the assignment is already there with you guys, right? The data set that has been shared, the same task you have to do. What we have done in our session, you have to do the same task on the data set.
Okay.
Yes, that has already been shared. Hope you have that Excel file. If not, we will just try to share that across.
Yeah. Can we have the Excel file, please?
It's been shared.
Excel file is shared, right? A couple of times on the chat window it's been shared.
It's been shared, yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
The exact file has been shared several times, but I'll share it again for the benefit of those who were not online when it was shared.
Here we go. Here you have a
Thank you,
Google
Paul,
Drive link,
for posting the link.
and you can download it from here. Anyone, just have this link and just download it there. Process from there. Thank you so much, Paul. Any questions, guys? Any questions about your learning path, what you can expect in the future learning, and what would be the work concept? Yes, anything you'd like to understand or you'd like to share with others. Any experience, guys, what you have been learning so far. We have freshers with us who are looking for this aspiring data analyst. You could just give some advice to them. You are welcome if you'd like to.
Because I'd like to ask, how often do you come up with the team come up with this training, please?
Sorry, didn't get you.
We look forward to more of this. I don't know.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So I've been listening. Oh, okay. My name is Agogo, and I'm the Executive Secretary of the Knowledge Exchange Center, KEC. Now, this program is brought to you in partnership with KECCareersAdvice Education India. And so we have a lot of training, particularly technology or digital-based training such as this. Now, the good thing is that if you fill out the feedback form or any of our form, or if you are already in our database, we are going to send you an updated the training calendar. But in addition to this, we are putting together something like a data boot camp that will be far more comprehensive than what you have learned in the past 2 days. So this boot camp is in partnership with also KECCareersAdvice Education India, something more even elaborate than this. These 2 days is just to spark your interest and to help you see the possibilities of these tools and how you can be able to to use it in your organization or build a career as a data scientist or data analyst. So we'll be sharing more of that information to you. Since you registered, your information is already with us. I will be sharing that information from time. So I also want to encourage you to also fill that feedback form, because in that feedback form, you will see the list of courses that we'll be holding in subsequent time. So identify the ones that you're interested in so that when such training comes up, we can send a direct mail to you. So that is captured in the feedback form. There's a section in the feedback form that shows that which other training are you interested in, and then you can tick that. So that helps us to send you the training that you're most interested in. I hope that answers the question. Guys, we also want you to fill the post assessment for this training, just to measure how well you have been able to grasp the training, the 2-day training. It helps you to measure your knowledge in this past 2 days. And so we just want to have that information. So this is aside the feedback. All these links are in the chat section of so you can screenshot it, I think later, or you can screenshot it right now, and then later you can just provide us with that information. We really appreciate that. So thank you so much, Mohammed, for the wonderful session. In fact, this is mind-blowing. I never knew that the Power BI has so much capabilities, just as you have shown us. I'm just wowed. I'm asking myself, where have I been all this while? And I'm sure that other participants share the same sentiment with me.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, hello, Mohammed.
Yes, please tell me, Grace.
Okay, are there some more questions? What else is left to be done? Because we have like 6 minutes to the end.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for any comments or any questions from others. So we are good.
Okay, so if you have any comments, any questions, do that quickly.
Thank you so much, Joshua.
Just want to say thank you, Mohammed, and thanks to KC for this wonderful opportunity. You're welcome, Joshua. Okay, all right, okay. If there is no further questions, that means you can continue. But before we go, thank you so much once again, Mohammed.
Hello, admin. Hello? Hello, admin. Hello, admin. Please, ma'am, also will the recorded version be posted, please?
Oh, okay. The recorded version, I posted it earlier. If you're going to get access to the recorded version, you fill the feedback form.
Yes,
with the link that
I've done that.
Posted. It will send you. And then for certifications, it will be for those who fill the feedback form and also attended the 2 days training. That means day 1 and day 2. Yeah. Okay. Is there any other question? Then quickly, I'd like to call on my colleague to talk more about the boot camp that we have. Just briefly. Dako, are you there?
I think he has briefed us.
Okay.
Somebody has briefed us on that.
I think you should rebrief us again because some of us had network difficulties. So
okay.
Okay, I think Agogo spoke about that, but can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, Jumake, can you kindly share the slide? Agogo spoke about it, but I'll just go over it again since someone already indicated that some people might have bad network. So, Jumoke, can you share that slide for me, please?
Minute ago.
Okay, share that. Okay. Okay, I just shared.
So take it to that slide where we have the bootcamp courses here.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see your screen. It's perfect. So, good afternoon, guys. Hope you guys had an amazing two-day lecture on the KEC data analytics and visualization. My name is Adida Kwajibade. I'm the project officer at Knowledge Exchange Center, and we're really happy to have you attend these courses. As you can see that what you've learned in the 2 days of the course is just a tip of the iceberg. And for you to have a more in-depth knowledge, a working experience or to be a data analyst, you need to get yourself more grounded. So we've put together a course that will teach you Excel basics, teach you more in-depth on data analytics and visualization, and Power BI. That will be more in-depth, and it will take the duration is going to be longer. We are still looking, probably it's going to be between 1 month to 2 months, probably. We'll communicate that to you. So, but it will take care of Excel basics for people that are still struggling with Excel, things you can do on Excel, and you can integrate Excel with Power BI and data analytics visualization. You can see that even while Arif was teaching, he was saying that this is just a tip of the iceberg, like 20% of what Power BI could do. So we have a more grounded and integrated course for you guys, but that will be paid if you are interested. So you can signify, I think, Jumoke, is there an option for people that are interested to signify on the post assessment?
Yes, there is.
Okay, so if you are interested in the course, you can signify in the post assessment, and we'll follow up with you and tell you how the course is going to run. So majorly that's that about, because the future now is about people that understand data, that can use data, and we are trying to build that future with you. So it's going to go for a token because we're a non-profit organization and we won't be charging money, but because of the resources that we will put into teaching you for an extended period of time, we'll be charging a token for this particular course. So we just wanted you to know that. And if you are interested, just indicate that while filling your post-assessment form. Any question about this? Is there any question anyone wants to ask about this?
I checked the feedback form and there is no option for that.
Okay, there is no option for that. Okay, Jumoke will check that, and probably that will be included right away, and you can recheck again and fill the feedback form again if it's not there, so that you can have that option to choose if you'll be taking that course. Is that okay by you?
Right, sir.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Also, if you're on the...
Hello?
Yes, please.
Yeah, speak. I can hear you. Speak, please. Hello?
Okay, Omolola is raising up her hand. Omolola, you can mute yourself and ask your question.
Okay, thank you. I want to ask that this bootcamp, is it going to be real time or virtual?
It's going to be virtual.
It should be virtual.
It's going to
All
be
right,
virtual.
thank
Well, all our courses is virtual now. It's going to be virtual. Is the only
and also it should be on a weekend.
The only difference is it gives you more time. It won't be on a weekday. It will be on a weekend, Saturday, Sunday probably, and it will be more grounded. For example, we just had 4 hours, 2 days to cover a whole lot. Now it might be 4 hours each weekend over the period of 1 month. So you have like 4 weekends in 1 month probably, and you have like 4 hours on each day. That's like 8 hours 1 weekend, 8 hours times 4. It's more grounded. We will now have time to explain basic concepts and things like that, more extensive, majorly for beginners and taking you to that probably intermediate level. Hope that answers your question.
Yeah, so my question is there any, like, what's the fee? Like,
the fee will be communicated to you. Once you indicate interest, the fee will be communicated to you. We are trying to see what, we are trying to fix a fee that is reasonable enough for you guys to partake. So it will be communicated to you.
Okay.
So please, has it been updated, the feedback as instructed by your colleague?
Jumoke?
Hold on, Victor, you get
it will be updated. It will be updated. Just check back.
Okay.
It will be
So
updated.
what? Okay. Is that all?
Yeah, that's all. If there is no more question, that's all. Is there any other question? Okay, Jumoke, you have the floor there.
Okay. So while you are, going, you can just do well to follow us on social media. Links have been posted again. And also for you to get real-time information regarding our trainings, join the Telegram group. And then you can chat any of the admins up if you have a question, possibly you have inquiries about our training or future trainings. Okay, Agogo, I think I will.
Hello,
can
you hear me?
Agogo, we can hear you.
Can you hear me? Okay, I would like us to just take a final, like a screenshot. Normally, if we have a physical training, we'll say, let's take a picture. So what we do after our virtual training is that we take a screenshot. Everybody turns on his or her video. We'll take a screenshot. We encourage you guys to just put it on your social media and just say some kind of nice comment on how the training has impacted you and tag us. Just tag KEC, Knowledge Exchange Center. Tag us in any of the social media. So I don't know if, let's just do that quickly in some few minutes. If you be kind enough to on your video. So try and
Sorry, the network is stuttering. I can barely hear what they're saying. I hope it's not me alone.
Agogo's network is quite bad.
So should we put on our video now? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
All right.
Put on video.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much once again for attending the training. Agogo, are you back? Can you hear us? Well, I guess that will be all for now. Thank you so much once again. If you have any question, just chat any of the admins up in the Telegram group. The link to the Telegram has been posted. Follow us on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a great one.
Yeah, it was an excellent one, actually.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a great one. Thank you.
Look forward to more of this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And thanks to everyone that participated. You guys actually did well.